Tyler Ramos. Tyler Ramos.
Here we go, yeah. At the top of the class on a roll, hey. And it's time to run it up, yeah, you know, yeah. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor, yeah. On a roll, here we go, here we go.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Around the Blockchain, where on this show we cover all the hottest stuff. Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream, guys. I get it mixed up sometimes. I just came from upstairs, as you guys probably know. If you came over from ATB, guys, let me know how DZ treated or Frankie Candles treated you tonight. Was he good? Were the questions good? Were the guests good? Did Frankie Candles mess up? Let me know how ATB was. ATB crew, let me know if you're here in chat. Guys, today we have a very, 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 very special show. Not only because we have some crazy volatility happening on Bitcoin, and the Mafia saw this coming, right? The Mafia saw this coming, and you know, it is also, that is one reason why it's a special show. We got a lot to talk about. We're taking a look at Bitcoin. We're taking a look at the altcoins. But guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely mind-blowing to me. Obviously, not much has changed since yesterday. We were basically at 25 yesterday, but just to see that number pop up on my YouTube studio is insane. I can't believe that we've gotten here as quickly as we did. I think we started this YouTube channel like 6 months ago, and the support has been absolutely overwhelming. So huge shout out to you guys in the Candle Mafia, everybody who shows up to these live streams every single day. We have a lot of people who come in here every single day. So I appreciate everybody, even if you're tuning in and tuning out, or you just watch the pre-records, or you just come in to the live stream for 5 minutes, or you just look at the thumbnails. Any kind of support that you guys give us is unbelievably appreciated. And you guys are this YouTube channel. This is the Frankie Candles YouTube channel, but it really should be the Candle Mafia YouTube channel, because I am just a tiny, tiny piece of this. You guys, the Candle Mafia or the community, is the biggest part of this whole channel. And obviously the mods play an enormous part in the success of this channel. And I am eternally grateful to be in the position I'm in, and eternally grateful to be surrounded and supported by such good people. It's absolutely amazing. I'm completely beside myself. So thank you so much for 25K. I can't say it enough. I could do a whole stream about this. Never thought, I'd be doing this. So absolutely insane. Thank you. And because of that, guys, we're gonna be giving away some good stuff today. We're gonna be giving away some really good stuff. We're gonna be giving away, I think, 20-something, 30-something NFTs. If it's not 30-something, I already said the word. Let's make it 30-something. And then we also have to spin the wheel tonight. So there's gonna be some more NFTs added to that. And guys, we are also giving away these two ledgers. We're giving a Ledger Nano S Plus away and a Ledger Nano X. And I did see in chat that Tony D is going to add another Ledger Nano S to the giveaway. So we're giving away 3 of these bad boys. Tony, make sure you get that from ledger.com. Can't be ordering these things on Amazon. But yeah, guys, we're going to be giving away all that stuff at the end of the stream. We will be spinning that wheel of pain and pleasure for more chances for a giveaway, believe it or not. And I said it, guys. I said if we hit 25K by today, we're going to juice up this. We already have like a really juicy giveaway, but we're gonna crank it up just a little bit because we hit 25K, and I super appreciate all the support that you guys give us. So we're gonna be giving away something cool, but we're not gonna give that thing away today because I want to make it something cool, and maybe we'll do a poll in the Discord or something, and we'll give you guys options because I want to give away what you guys want, right? So we got the 3 ledgers we'll be giving away tonight. And we will be giving away the 30-something, 20-something NFTs, whatever it is, tonight. And then the 25K giveaway. Maybe we'll give away some crypto. And yeah, we'll give away some crypto, maybe to one person or maybe to a few people. But I want to figure out what you guys want. We'll take a poll, and then we'll give that away next week. So definitely want to show some, I kind of want to give back to the Candle Mafia a little bit because, guys, we are a quarter of the way to getting our names on that building. Absolutely insane. I cannot believe we are here for real. Completely mind-blowing. But like I said, guys, we're checking out Bitcoin. We're checking out the altcoins. We're gonna be looking at it all. I'm giving you the levels that you need to watch, and we'll check in on some of the trades that I have open right now. But before we get into it, let's go ahead and take a look at chat and say what is good. Let's see. Damien, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Lane Hughes, welcome back. Thank you for being here. As always, super supportive, Lane. Love having you in here. Mr. J says Cavs Friday. That's right. I don't know if you could hear that, but I'm spanking those calves. God, why'd I do that on camera? Nobody clip it. Somebody don't clip it. Guys, special guest in the studio tonight. We got Mrs. Candles running the board. Everybody show some love to Mrs. Candles. Let's see, Taylor, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Unforgettable name saying, yes, first time being the first like. Watch at Frankie Candles will now tell us all not to like until later. Yeah, we were talking about that yesterday, but shout out to Unforgettable Name. Thank you for being here. Some super chats already popped up in here. Hey, Noodle, as always, I really do appreciate that super chat. Hey, Noodle says, Frankie, congrats on 25K subs. You deserve this and more. P.S. Guess Ben's Blood Diamond got confirmed. Oh, God, the Blood Diamond. I don't think that Blood Diamond thing is going down in history for sure. But shout out to Hey Noodle. Thank you so much for that super chat. Thank you for the continued support that you show. And thank you for the nice comment. Tony D saying, thanks everyone for helping Frankie get to 25K. I am personally adding a Ledger Nano S to tonight's giveaway. Guys, if I'm not giving it away, or if I'm not giving away extra stuff, we got Tony D in here. Sometimes the Candle Mafia just comes in and wants to give stuff back to the community because we're awesome people, or you guys are awesome people. Let's see. Shout out to Tony D, Captain Kirk, Tyler Durden, Crypto Anon, Rob the Crypto Snob, and Crypto Billy, all of our mods. Thank you so much for everything you guys do. I really do appreciate you. Everybody smile. What is going on? Thank you for being here. Cows World, as always. Hey, everyone, 25K, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, maybe, Tony, I don't know if you can make, or mods, I don't know if you guys can make polls, but if you guys want to think of some cool stuff to give away and take a poll, see what people think, or maybe we'll put it in Discord after the stream. French Toaster, what is going on? Yo, Frankie, let's get it. Let's go. YOLO Baggins, thank you for being here. Uncle Candles, what is going on? With the heart hands, let's get it, baby. Lane saying congrats. Thank you, brother. I really do appreciate it. Let's see. Bufo on the beat. Sir Frank-a-lot. A Lord of Candles. They do call me Frankie the Lord of Candles. Hey, Bufo, did you see the after stream credits yesterday? I heard you showed up as a cameo. I heard it was Bufo on the beat. If you have not, go check the end of last night's stream. I was hoping you were still in there. I don't know if you were. Nate, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Days of Old, thank you for being here. Alex, so crypto, what is going on with the otter emojis? I don't get the otter thing. I don't know if I missed a joke or maybe Alex O just likes otters, but I see these otters everywhere. Do people think I look like an otter? Is that like the big prank, the big joke? I don't know, but somebody fill me in. What is the deal with the otters? I can't figure it out. But shout out to Alex O Crypto. Thank you for being here, brother. You've been in here a lot lately. I do appreciate it. Eric Ward, we are forming a cliffhanger on the charts. Let's go, baby. We're gonna check it out in a minute, Eric. Cows World with the $5 super chat. Thank you so much. Says, congrats, Frankie, for hitting one of many milestones to come. Yeehaw! Let's go, Cows World. I appreciate all the support, bro. Let's see who else we got. MTC, thank you so much for the super chat. Congratulations on 25K. I do appreciate it, MTC. Thank you for being here. And thank you for continuing to show support to our YouTube channel. Let's see. I just want to make sure I did not miss. If you won a hat/ledger months ago, we have not forgotten. Expect them within the next few weeks at the latest. Yeah, guys, and also we have fixed the NFT problem. So if you have not gotten your NFT or your giveaway yet, again, just like Tony said, we did not forget about you. Don't worry. We've been trying to fix all these problems. And yeah, we're going to get you everything here very soon. Everything's going to start going out probably this weekend, and if not, the beginning of next week. So back in action with that stuff. And yeah, guys, without further ado, we got some crazy stuff that was going on in the charts earlier today. So let's go ahead and jump in. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, never mind. Thought the stream deck was broken, guys. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. We got to get a sound effect for that transition. But, guys, this is Ethereum. We don't want to take a look at Ethereum just yet, but let's take a look at Bitcoin. Now, guys, what a morning. You know what? I'm actually going, can we just zoom in real quick, and then we will go do our typical analysis here. Excuse me. What an absolute ringer of a day, guys. So last night, I actually wasn't in the Discord last night. I don't even remember. The days blend together. But I was in an ETH short yesterday. I actually got in, if you guys are wondering what made me get in, I did not have time to put it in the Discord, but I did hop into a little scalp ETH short based off of these bearish divergences up here, right? So we were coming up to resistance. You see the resistance right here. Forming those bearish divergences, you have your high, your lower high, your high, your higher high, and then entered, kind of played around here a little bit, and then boom, we absolutely dumped. But here's kind of what happened with my ETH trade. I was in the scalp, right? I held it overnight, and we came all the way down, which was nice, right? I woke up and I was like, wow, that wound up playing out really good. And then on my way to the office, I'm just driving. I'm like, all right, when I get to the office, I'll open up my computer. We'll take the profits or whatever, and open up my laptop to this. And I was like, oh, my God, we're getting completely eaten alive right now. All my gains are getting eaten. But luckily, guys, I did move my stop loss into profit, and I did get stopped out in profit over here for like a small 5% gain, only to have this thing just roll right back over. But hey, sometimes it happens, guys. But yeah, then we absolutely dumped down, complete volatility at its finest, big dump overnight. And then absolutely ripping into the meeting about an hour before the meeting. We got absolutely pumped into that the Fed news, and then absolutely just ripped down off of that news. So very, very volatile day. We are, this is Ethereum. So let's just go back to Bitcoin. I wanted to explain that, obviously looks very similar. But I wanted to explain what got me into that ETH short. So, successful trade there. But, again, I got stopped out at 5% profit. But that is the importance, guys, of, when the gains are there, you got to take them, right? You got to take them. Learn that lesson. If you, if you're going to take anything away from that stream, please, when you're in profit, take some off the table, right? Because, a lot of times, you wake up, right? You wake up, let's just, pretend I was in that short on Bitcoin. It was probably somewhere around here, and then you come all the way down. Actually, let's just go to ETH so we can get, I don't want to give you guys inaccurate information, right? You wake up in the morning and, you're all the way down here, right? You're 5%. That's a pretty decent move down. When you get a big move like that, just take it off the table, right? Take something off the table, move your stop loss to entry, and make it a risk-free trade, right? Why not? It's, it's way less stressful to trade like that. And then, oh man, you get the notification on Phoenix, I got stopped out, and then you see the green trade, and you're like, cool, I won. So, if your losses are wins, you essentially turn your losses into wins, or a lot of your losses into wins like that. So, but I'm not going to lie. It does hurt to have missed out on that big move down. But you know what? You win some, you lose some, and then sometimes you just get stopped out in profit. So a win is a win. Got to take it. But yeah, absolute crazy volatility. Pumped into the meeting and then absolutely dumped on the news. But let's go ahead and talk about, guys, this is not, people say, show me the charts, I'll tell you the news, right? And you guys will know that we've been expecting somewhat of a move down. And that's for multiple reasons, right? It's funny, every time I go on YouTube for the past few days and, I've talked to people, everybody says, this wasn't a bear flag, or this wasn't a bear flag, or this isn't a bear flag. And, it is not saying that you can't pump right back through this and come up. I'm not saying that's not impossible, but I'm not saying that is impossible. But guys, bear flag, breakdown, right? This is a bearish continuation pattern. That's why I say keep it simple. People are like, and this is also why we don't like to be too decisive, right? You see the comments and everything. It's like, oh, these idiots, they think this is a bear flag and it's going to break down. They're 100% wrong, moron. And they're just so confident. And it's not that they're 100% going to be wrong, but they're just so confident. And then it's like, okay, it broke out. Like these people that, people like to be super, super decisive in what they believe, right? They're just like, there's no way it's going down. But it's like, do you have a reason for that? It's just, you want to understand that it could go both ways, right? But we had tons of things pointing to the fact that we were going to come down, guys. Number one, basically a giant bear flag, right? Bear flag, rising wedge, either way, bearish patterns, right? On top of that, we came down to this, and then we built another tiny bear flag here, and then obviously ripped out of that, and now we're forming another bear flag. And then now we are starting to rip out of that, being crushed by that blood diamond, pulling us out on the 1 hour chart. So we got bear flags everywhere, looking pretty bearish, but it's not just that, guys. You will know that we've been watching the weekly like a hawk for the past few days here, and we are having that red dot popping on and off of the chart, right? Now we have 2 days and 2 hours to get this red dot to pop up and confirm. If it confirms, it would be generally bearish. But the thing that really makes me feel extremely bearish about this move or about this red dot is if you switch over to regular candles, that yellow manipulation X is back, guys. I told you it was popping up, it was disappearing, it was popping up, it was disappearing. It is back, right? So if this confirms, this would be extremely bearish in my opinion, and that could potentially have the power to push us back down below our previous low of 17.5. I'm not saying that it's 100% going to happen, but the we've got a squeaky mic here. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But yeah, if we do see this thing confirm and we wind up cracking the 17.5K wick, we break that low, I would be expecting, if we break this value area low, I would be expecting a big dump down, potentially down to this 14 to 12K area. So we got a decent move down today. We had the weekly red dot popping up, right? The yellow X, very bearish. 7-day yellow X and red dot, very bearish. 6-day printing that red dot, very bearish. 5-day confirmed red dot, very bearish. And then your 4-day has a confirmed blood diamond with that tiny little confirmed blood diamond with that tiny little trigger wave that we were talking about. And I know I was covered. 5-day confirmed red dot. 6-day printing a red dot, and then the 4-day confirmed blood diamond. This is another bearish sign, guys. Just the red dots are bearish, but the blood diamonds are extra bearish. And then your 3-day, you also have a confirmed red dot. And then your daily, you guys will know that this was the one thing that I was looking at to kind of say, if we are going to see this relief rally continue, this is something I need to happen. I need that green dot to confirm, and I need it to give us a bit of juice. We need gusto out of this thing. We need the chutzpah. We needed the chutzpah on this thing. And, obviously we didn't get it, right? We got immediately invalidated, right? You printed the green dot, it confirmed, and then you immediately came down and printed this red dot, kind of, adding to the bearishness, right? Because we had all those higher time frame bearish signals that we've been talking about for days. And then that one bullish case was that daily green dot that we thought could potentially, if we held, if you guys watch the channel, you'll know as we were holding this level as support, as I was saying, as long as we don't break this level, we could potentially see that green dot pop us out of here and continue this relief rally. But once we start losing this level, we would come down to the POC. And if we lose this POC, again, I am going to be looking down to this 18,825 level, which is the value area low, right? So this is, we kind of saw this coming. That one bullish case was that daily green dot, but as soon as that was invalidated, now these higher term timeframes are starting to look a little bit more dangerous as time goes on. So, not very shocked that this happened. And then again, guys, I know I preach this constantly. I know you guys are probably sick of hearing this, but volume profiles, right? Value area high. We were able to realize that once we broke this level, we would shoot down towards that POC. And look, we got to move down to that local golden pocket, ranged, and now we're at the POC. We said if we broke this value area high, it would be very likely that you come down to the POC. And just like it does most of the time, not 100% of the time, but a lot of the time, you get that move. Once you break the value area high, you get that move right down to the POC. And this is literally the poster child, a perfect example of this playing out perfectly, right? So absolutely, this is why I love volume profiles. This is how we're able to predict movements to the levels, right? I think, I don't even know, I'm not going to pull it up, but if we pulled up the Discord, we probably, let me see, BTCTA, maybe we could pull it up. Yeah, we put, I'm not going to try to find it. But yeah, if you guys are in the Discord, you will know we were talking about this. I put it in the BTC TA section where I put my exclusive technical analysis. If we broke this value area high, likely we'll come to the POC. Boom, we had it. We were able to predict the move. So boom, right? The next thing on the list are the key levels that we're watching. And again, they basically remain the same, guys. You'll know that this value area high, this POC, and this value area low right here, and right here have been the key levels. Nothing has really changed. Like I said, you could keep it simple, guys. You don't need, super, super complicated technical analysis to try to predict what is going to happen. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Essentially all we're looking at here is I'm going to delete some of this stuff just to show you, I know this might look confusing to someone who's not used to seeing all this technical analysis on their chart, but this is all we're looking at, guys. I mean, it's 3 major levels, right? We could even get rid of this. 3 major levels. Get rid of that bear flag. Get rid of this circle, right? 3 major levels. You have the value area high, the POC, the VAL. This is the foundation of this chart right now, right? This is basically, the foundation that I'm using to trade off of. And then, obviously, we know. And I'm just going to explain this for people who might be new or might have not heard me talk about this yet, because this is just, it's a perfect time to talk about it because it's working perfectly right now. You're trading in here, right? In between the value area high and the value area low. Let me go ahead and grab a purple box inside of here. So this purple box is the value area. This is where price wants to trade. So price, right? Boom, we're ranging in here. If you come down to the value area low, it is likely that you're going to get a move back up to that POC or the value area high. But the important thing to note here is when you come out of the value area. So you're out of the value area here, it is likely that you get sucked back into the value area and more specifically towards that point of control. The point of control acts as a magnet, as does the value area. So then you can see that, let me just get that purple box back up. And then, obviously you came out here, you're out of the value area. At this point, if you have no new volume coming in, if you want to learn more about how to read these volume profiles, you can check out the videos on the channel. I have a bunch of really good tutorials about this. But you'll know when you pull the volume profiles, you get volume bars over here. If you're not getting any new volume out up here, it is likely that you're going to get sucked back into the value area. And even more specifically, right, the point of control. So you come right back down and look, you almost tap that point of control perfectly. You come back out of the value area. And if you're not bringing any new volume, or if you're not getting any new volume up here, it's likely that you get sucked back into the value area. And then you come here, you think you're going to get the bounce off the value area. We got a little bit of a bounce, and then finally we lost it. And at this point, like I said, if we decisively break this level, you'll come down to the POC and boom. It's not clean, but boom, you come right to it. And this is how we're able to predict this stuff, right? So this is the foundation of the trade. This is the X-ray vision into the charts, right? And now this is basically, like I said, the foundation of the trade. And then you add all that other TA on top of it, right? Now we had another high volume node up here, right? That's where I got this purple box from. And look at that. We landed right on top of that purple box before finally hitting the POC. So, and then, then you have your bear flags popping up, and there you go. You had a local golden pocket. Obviously, this was a bear flag. And then we just add that other stuff to kind of guess what's going to happen in the meantime, right? We knew we were bear flagging here, but we had a lot of support, but we were expecting to come to the POC. Bear flags break down more than they break up. Boom, you come right to the POC. So, I know this might look really confusing to somebody who's new, but, that's basically, it's really just these three main levels. Everything else is kind of, you sprinkle in those little details as the market moves, right? You start forming a bear flag, you can add that. That helps you, try to guess where you're going in the short term. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope that helps people. And if you guys are wondering what I mean by volume profiles, this is what a volume profile basically looks like, right? This is it. You have the blue line here is your value area high. This white line here, if you can see it, is your POC. And the value area low is this blue line here. So all I do is I pull the volume of a specific range. This is rough. I didn't make this very accurate, but and then I mark out these levels. I know how they're going to behave with the price action. And this is what I meant by bringing in new volume, right? We talk about this a lot. So if you guys want to learn more about that, definitely check out the volume profile videos on the channel. But again, next major level, if we lose this POC, this is the level I'm watching, right? 20,525. This is the main level we need to hold. If we lose this and bearishly retest, right, and we start closing, hourly, 4-hourly decisive candles below the point of control, it's likely that we're going to come down to the value area low. This is obviously very advantageous information to know, because if you could predict that we're going down here, you can take advantage of those moves and make money off of them. And that's what we do over here at the Frankie Candles YouTube channel, if you guys are new. And that's why I love volume profiles, because it really does help you understand that, you could draw support and resistance, right? I could find more support and resistance on this chart, but the volume profiles let you know which areas are the key levels and when and what to expect if you're interacting with that level. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. These are the key levels we're watching. And then, if we do wind up losing this value area low and start bearishly retesting that, and we don't bring a lot of new volume down here, and that yellow X on the weekly confirms, and the yellow X on the 7-day confirms, and things continue to confirm in a bearish manner, I would expect to potentially start a big move down towards this level at about between 14 and 12K. Now, we do have one last line of defense, and that's going to be, let me go ahead and grab our Fibonacci retracement here, and boom. Our last little level of defense here is going to be the 786, which obviously we perfectly bounced off of at the actual lows at 17.5. We got a perfect bounce here. But if we lose this 786 fib level at about 17,737, if we lose this level, this is where I start. If we lose this level, it is very likely that we are going to come down to between 14 and 12K. But we could potentially, if we don't lose that level, right, we could potentially come out of the value area, right, and then bounce off the 786. And if you're out of that value area, it's likely that you'll get sucked back into the value area. So we might bounce off that 786, get back into the range, work our way to the POC, back up to the value area high, and potentially, maybe basically just come down for a double bottom. So these are some things I'm looking at, guys. Those are the specific levels I'm watching. So definitely mark those down. I will put this chart in the Discord if you guys want to keep an eye on these levels and not have to draw them out yourself or get them exactly, try to remember the number. I will put it in the Discord. But real quick, I do want to get some super chats out of the way here. Unforgettable name. This is not a super chat, but he says, Frankie Candles, do you give any weight to the 4-hour BTC head and shoulders pattern? Small right shoulder, but I've seen similar. Target is about 17K, which would make a lot of sense in my opinion. But unforgettable name. We will. We'll take a look at that in just a second here. Clinton Query, thank you for the super chat. I really do appreciate it, man. It says congrats on 25K. Hey, Clinton, I appreciate you, and I also appreciate all the support you've been showing the channel recently. You've been up in here, man. You're like hustling your way to OG. Let's go. Shout out to Clinton Query. I really do appreciate you, man. Hannah King as well, showing all those super chat. Always showing super chat love, Hannah. I appreciate it. And they say, Frankie, how are you feeling about the next CPI report? I think it will determine a lot. I agree. You want to remember that September is typically a bearish month for crypto. So, we could potentially see some crazy stuff go down in this meeting, but I do think a lot lies on that, right? We're going to have to wait to see what happens. Is it going to be 75 basis points? We don't know. But just remember, September is typically a bearish month for crypto. So, could wind up getting pretty crazy. Let's see. Connor Anderson says, Frankie, can you show us the start and finish points of the fixed range volume profile? I don't know where to start it. Connor, yeah, we could talk about that in just a minute. Thank you. That's a great question. Thank you for pointing that out. Crypto Billy, back in the action, brother. How are you doing, Crypto Billy? Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you for being back in chat, brother. Let's see, LFG, Frankie pouring out sauce tonight. Flat smack that like button. I like that, Crypto Billy. Flat smack that like button. Shout out to Flat Smack. Billy, thank you for being here, man. I love you, brother. Let's see. We got a couple more super chats. Martin, thank you for the super chat. Really do appreciate that. Says, do you have a video about finding the VAH, POC, and VAL? And look at that. Shout out to Rob the Crypto Snob for linking it right underneath that super chat. But yeah, Martin, go watch that video. I show you exactly how to use it. And we're also going to be adding to that series because there's different ways to trade different shapes of volume profiles. There's a whole lot to it. There's gaps. There's a lot of different things that go into it. But it's one of the most useful tools. It's one of the number one things that I wish I knew when I started trading. I wish it didn't take me so long to find volume profiles or to take the time to learn them because it is an absolute game changer. All right, let's see. Tony D, gotta bounce, everyone. Love you all. Thanks for 25K. Frankie, we are at 30 NFTs before tonight's drawing. Thank you, Tony, for that. Thank you for the super chat, brother. The original power couple, Sean and Melissa Malone. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you at Tyler Durden and all the other mods. You are so helpful. Yes, they are. They are absolutely legendary. Super, super appreciate that. Per Strong, thank you so much for that super chat. Can you check Luna Classic? Yes, I will check Luna Classic right now, even though we're not ready to look at the altcoins, but you super chatted, so I will go ahead and check it out. Lucho, thank you for the $5 super chat. Congrats on 25K subscribers. Lucho, I really do appreciate that. Guys, thank you so much for the super chat love. CandleMafia is the absolute best, for real. Just the best community on YouTube. Let's see. Let's see. Lane Hughes says, Frankie Candles, my man. Any chance I could get a hat? Lol, I'll even pay. Didn't know people had won them, and I need that drip. Let's go, Lane. So we're doing some giveaways on the hats. Maybe we'll give away a couple more hats for the 25K giveaway, possibly. But we're also going to be adding it to the merch store. Also, guys, don't forget to head over to Hit Merch. And check out our Frankie Candles merch. We got some starter t-shirts with just the logo. They're pretty clean. I like them. So go check them out if you want to cop one of those. And Hannah says, congrats on 25K subs. You deserve it. You deserve so much more. I appreciate that, Hannah. Thank you very much. Guys, thank you for the super chats. You guys are crazy. All right, so let's get back into the charts. Smash that like button. That's right, guys. Smash that. Jake, what is going on? Thank you for being here. John, how are you doing? Always worth waiting up for, all the way in Ireland. Let's go, John. Thank you for tuning in all the way from Ireland. We are getting worldwide viewers lately. 551 people in here, guys. Smash that like button. If we get 650 likes today, I'll give you guys 20 spins on the wheel. I don't know how much more stuff we can give away, but let's just go for it. I don't even care. Shout out to you guys. You guys are the best. But let's get back to the charts. Thank you so much, Vincent. I appreciate you, man. All right, let's go ahead and what did they real quick. Where is it? Where'd it go? Hopefully I didn't lose it. Somebody who asked for it. Somebody asked me to look at a coin. What was it? Oh, Luna Classic. Right. Who said it though? Oh, per strong. Yes, we got it. Let's look at Luna Classic real quick, and then we will jump into Ethereum, the DXY, the SPY. The DXY is going to be very, very interesting to check out. There's definitely some stuff. What is it? It's Loon C, right? There we go. Go to the KuCoin Tether chart. Let's check it. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Well, Terra Classic. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Let's check out. We're not going to look at the weekly. Daily. VWAP coming down, guys. Money flow starting to come out a little bit there. Coming down the time frames. VWAP coming down on your 16 and 12 hour, your 8 hour, looking to print that red dot very soon. Green dot on the 4 hour. So let me just see something. 8 hour. Let's see. Look at the lower time frames. Money flow is coming out on those lower time frames. Did I just see a blood diamond? No. So yeah, money flow coming out on those lower time frames. No bearish divergence. Maybe a slight bearish divergence there. 30-minute red dot printing. 1 hour, 3 hour. Money flow coming up on the 3 hour money flow does not look bad. You do have that 4 hour green dot, which is looking good, but your 15-minute money flow is not looking the best. 4 hour green dot's definitely your bullish case. And then your daily money flow is coming out, though. Why is this thing pumping so much? That is very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, this is, I would say, the 4 hour is your bullish case for sure. Money flow starting to come up, and then you have the 3 hour backing it up with your money flow coming up. So that actually doesn't look too bad. But just because everything is generally looking a little more bearish, if we get that weekly red dot confirmed, chances are this thing is going to tank. So yeah, take that for what you will. But yeah, obviously coming up to some decent resistance here. I'll go ahead and mark that out for you. If you're looking for some levels, let me go ahead and get you some of these levels here. Pull that Fibonacci. Boom. Fighting through that local golden pocket. Let's pull out that VPVR for anybody that was interested in the volume profiles. Long story short, if you want to know how I find that value area high, the POC, and the value area low, I'll remove all the drawings. If you're using, there's a bunch of different volume profile tools, but if you're using the visible range volume profile, which I have up right now, which analyzes the visible candles that you have here on your chart, and then if you zoom in, it'll change. Boom, your levels change, and you can see that your volume changes, right? And the blue lines right here, you can see you have a blue line here. That's your value area high. Your white line is your POC, and this blue line down here is your value area low. And then between the value area low and the value area high is your value area, which is the thing acting as a magnet. So that's kind of how you find the levels. And again, I show you how to set all this up in that tutorial video. But let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hours, zoom in just a little bit so we can kind of get an idea of where the volume is at. Let's go ahead and yeah, there you go. So let me zoom out just a little bit. Boom. Okay, so we are, hard to say with this thing just going absolutely nuts, but we are, as you can see, you have a big gap in volume here. And when you have big gaps in volume, guys, typically you do see price shoot through these levels pretty quickly. As you can see, I'm going to take this off before you guys start making jokes about what I just drew. But you could see this big gap in volume. Obviously you get those moves to the upside pretty quickly. So you came up above the POC, you get a rip through that low volume gap, but now you are starting to find support on that value area high, right? And you do see you have a little bit of volume coming in here. So could potentially range up here and build more volume. And if you are able to do that, you could get a move up and then your value area will shift up, right? So, as of right now, if you're looking for some levels to look at on Luna or Terra Classic, you got your value area high right here at about 0.000119. Your POC is sitting at about 0.0009, and then your value area low is going to be sitting at 0.000085. I don't know if those zeros are accurate, but you could screenshot that and try to get those same levels. But there you go, right? So if you wind up losing this value area high, right? Say it absolutely dumps, you bounce, right? And then you lose the value area high, bearishly retest, and start closing decisive candles under this level, it would be likely that you come down to this point of control right down here, right? So there you go. There are some levels there for Terra Classic. But back to the analysis, guys. Shout out to Per, right? I think it was PER. Yeah, Per Strong. Thank you for that super chat. Really appreciate that. But let's go ahead and take a look at the DXY, guys, so we could try to figure out what this thing is doing. And here we are, right? Obviously, this thing has moved up into this channel. We are just kind of sitting in this box, right? We're just kind of sitting in between this support and resistance here, just kind of bouncing around in this range, right? So not too much has happened. Obviously, we climbed our way back into this channel, got a big move up, and now we're just ranging. This 109.29 would be that level that we are looking to pop out of and flip to support for a continued move up, which would be bearish for Bitcoin. And then obviously the level you're looking to lose is 108.31. If you lose that level, hopefully, we can get a move down here, or at least to the bottom of this channel, and potentially get a little move up for Bitcoin. But again, with that weekly yellow X and the weekly red dot and the 7-day red dot and the yellow X and the 6-day red dot and the 5-day confirmed red dot and the blood diamond on the 4-day, a lot of bearish stuff on the higher time frames, guys. So you want to remember that. Bitcoin coming in at 20,600. Let's zoom in on these. Yeah, guys, we are right. Oh, there we go. Somebody making an NFT. Bada boom. Bada boom. Ooh, what is this? That's like a coffee bean, guys. That's a coffee bean. Let me just pair it with a cup. This is a teacup, not a coffee cup. But hey, sometimes you just got to let the art speak for itself. There you go. So there you go, guys. That's the coffee bean and coffee cup with Steam NFT. Somebody make it an NFT. But just please, if you make millions of dollars off of them, please share some of the funds, not with me, but at least with the CandleMafia. Anyway, I'm just kidding, guys, obviously. But zooming in here, guys, we are holding this level, kind of in, somewhat of a, I don't know if you call it a descending triangle. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't want to be the bear flag guy, but let's see. I can almost, kind of bear flaggy, right? And, I think it's like, again, like there's a lot of trolls out there, like, oh, everything's a bear flag. I mean, kind of like when they pop up, they pop up. I'm not making this up, right? This is a bearish consolidation pattern. So if this thing breaks, guys, this POC at 20,525 is the level that we're looking at. And we are very, very close. Maybe we can get this thing to crack live on stream and we can watch this thing dump live. But you guys know how that works. With my luck, we look at it, and then as I get in the car to drive home, the thing absolutely nukes. But there you go. Hopefully we can get that thing to crack live on stream. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and check out the SPY. What is the SPY doing? And then let me turn off the VPVR because we don't need that. So as you guys know, we were looking at oh, baby. Yeah, we're starting to lose levels here, guys. We're starting to lose levels. So as you know, guys, we did approach the 200-day moving average on the SPY as well as this horizontal level of resistance. And I pointed this out on stream. Guys, we just kissed the 200-day moving average on the dot with the confluence of this horizontal resistance, right? This is pretty bearish. I was expecting a big pullback off of this 200-day moving average. We got it. And then we were looking for a bounce off of this support. We got it. And now we are starting to lose this level. I'm going to come down to the lower time frames. As you can see, we have lost this level, pulled the yellow X on the 15-minute, and we are headed down. So we'll have to see what happens with this on Monday. But we have lost our support, right? This was the support we were looking to hold yesterday, and now we have lost it. Kind of bearishly retested. Didn't come all the way up, but you printed that yellow X, and boom. So there you go. We're going to have to keep an eye on this, but, big news here is we have lost our support here that we were previously holding. Definitely a bearish sign. So just something to keep an eye on. So let's go back to BTC. I'm probably going to make some new charts over the weekend, guys, and just completely refresh the charts. Actually, I did want to pull up that SPY and see what kind of resistance we had there, because I do like to teach a lot on these live streams, as you guys know. I give you guys the news, let you know what's happening with the charts, what levels you need to watch, what I think is going to happen. But I also like to kind of go back in time and hopefully teach you guys something about, technical analysis or what you should be looking for potential trades, right? But I'm just trying to see, if we have had, any key levels here as resistance. And if you look at that, guys, from the top of this move to the bottom of this move, you can't make it up, guys. You can't make it up. 200-day moving average, local golden pocket, strong resistance of the whole move, right? Strong resistance, 200-day moving average, horizontal level here. This was screaming short, screaming it. And we got it, right? So these are some things you can do to try to see, right? You see that you're approaching that 200-day moving average. Kind of bearish looking, especially if you start rejecting off of it. And then you start to look. Let me see if there's any stronger resistance on top of the 200-day. Pull some fibs, right? Pull it from the top to the bottom. Boom. You're more often than not, things make sense, right? So, when I'm looking at this, I'm already thinking, I'm like, all right, 200-day moving average is there. I got a horizontal level of resistance. There's probably a golden pocket there. You pull it from the top to the bottom. Golden pocket pulls right on top of it. So these are some things that can add confluence to your trades. And we're not even talking paid indicators. These are all free things on TradingView that I just showed you to help you identify this stuff, right? And then if you had a bearish divergence at these levels, it would have, it would have been a way better setup, way more obvious setup, right? If there was a bearish divergence into all of that strong resistance, I mean, that's a no-brainer short. Not financial advice, but this is how you can see this stuff. So I like to give you guys a little bit of that sauce. As you know, I don't like to spoon it to you. I like to dip the wooden spoon in and flick it at you. So I hope you guys are learning something. Let me get a hashtag value in chat if you guys are learning anything today. Hey, Blanchard's Bees says bear flags are real. That's dang right. They definitely are real. And if they're not real, it is weird how often they play out. Let's see. We're going down in another round. Baby. Baby, we're going down swinging. Baby, we're going down swing trading. Let's get it. Speaking of trades, guys, let's go ahead and check in on my trades. Now, as you guys can see, I'm up 38%. You guys can't see that. Let me zoom in. I'm up 38% on our Matic short here, guys. $232, shorting the heck out of this thing. And as you guys know, I don't ever lose my trades. I only win. As you can see, there's only green trade. There's only green trades, guys. I only win. I never lose. I've never lost a trade in my life. God. Anyway, I've never lost a trade. I swear, guys. No, I'm kidding. As you guys know, I'm trapped in this. I got trapped in this scalp long. It was a lesson learned for you guys. I should have known better, but I was trading when I was going on a trip, and I completely forgot I had this little scalp on, I had this little scalp trade in. There was no stop loss, and there you go. That's why you set your stop losses, right? It went the wrong way. I woke up the next day to catch a plane, and Bitcoin was nuking, and I was like, oh my God, my Matic short is doing great. And then I checked, and I was like, oh no, that scalp long, I'm stuck. But as you guys know, I brought this up yesterday. This is a small position for me. So if I get liquidated on this, I'm not worried about it. But up on the Matic trade, so we're hedged a little bit here. And again, just not worried about that position. But that's a lesson learned, guys. If you can't pay attention, don't scalp trade. If you can't pay attention to the charts, and I used to scalp a lot more than I do now. But I still try to scalp, and I have a hard time like switching gears, right? Because I used to scalp more, and now I'm so busy with the YouTube channel, I really should stick more to swing trading because that's what my schedule allows for, but I still try to get into those scalps, and that's what happens, guys. So identify what kind of trader your life allows you to be, right? I used to be able to, I didn't have I had a lot more free time to spend on scalp trading, in the past. So I was able to watch these trades. I didn't have to worry about them as much, but now I have a bazillion things going on. So swing trades are probably more my bread and butter at this point. But nonetheless, guys, that Matic trade worked out well. I know a lot of you guys saw that call in the Discord. We called it as we saw it. So congratulations to anybody that saw that in the Discord and took advantage of it. If you guys want to trade, check out the link in the description down below. We do have an amazing Femex deal for the CandleMafia where you can get bonus funds deposited into your account. Depending on how much you deposit, they will give you some free bonus funds to trade with. And it helps out the channel. So if you want to help us keep the lights on over here, that would be greatly appreciated. If not, that's cool too. Let's see. Connor Anderson says, seems like the fees eat me alive on the 1 second chart trading. Yeah, Connor, that 1 second, those 1 second charts, they'll get you. They'll get you, brother. Shout out to Connor Anderson. Jimmy Void, Jimmy Two Shoes, salute, my brother. I got that Aztecian, rare Aztecian cactus water that you guys know I do have I do have these shipped in from overseas. Very natural, good for the skin, as you guys know. We don't have to go over this again. Let's see. Bro, when will you make a video on Heikinashi candles? The crypto killers. I'll make a video on Heikinashi candles next week. How about that? I could do that for sure, brother. The question is, will I remember? But I will, because, guys, I make a lot of videos, so sometimes I need help thinking of the, what you guys want to see. So Heikinashi candles, I can make a video about them, absolutely. But if you want some quick sauce on the Heikinashi candles, really, the big difference is the reason I use them is I just find this very ugly. It's very uneven. Green candle, purple candle, green candle, blue candle. It's just very up, down. Nothing's even. There's purple candle, blue candle, purple candle, blue candle. It's just very choppy, right? And then you switch to the Heikinashi candles. It's just much easier to see the trends, right? So Heikinashi, you could see we're in a downtrend. Okay, now we're in an uptrend. Now we're in a downtrend. Where here it's like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And that's just my opinion, guys. It doesn't mean that I'm at a crazy advantage because I'm using Heikinashi candles. I just prefer. But as you guys know, it is important to switch back and forth, because you can see on Market Cypher A, your signals do change slightly when you go to the regular candle. So I do go back and forth. But essentially, the Heikinashi candles take an average of the price, right? So that's the big difference. But yeah, there's really no benefit, no like real huge benefit other than it's just nicer and easier to identify trends and nicer to look at. But yeah, we could try to make a video about that for sure. No problem. Let's see. Is there a video idea section in the Discord? Jay Rego, yes, I think it's called content suggestions, I think is what it's called. I think just a suggestion page too. Make sure you're putting it in video suggestions or content suggestions. That's the one I'm going to look at. So if you guys want to see some videos, I'm going to go in there. I will be in there looking at them because I do need help to, figure out what you guys want to see. Also, guys, if you've been kicked out of the Discord, just understand this. Well, it's different. Like if you were in there like hating everybody, then you might have gotten kicked. But if you just randomly got kicked out of the Discord with no reason, it might be because you didn't verify yourself. So it's set where if you don't verify yourself after a certain amount of time, you get kicked. But there's instructions on how to verify. It's very easy. I think you have to react to some stuff. It's very simple, but we just have to verify you're a real person and all that. So if you got kicked out for no reason, it might be because you didn't verify. Let's see. Yeah, I thought so. Not the question I wanted you to see, though. Oh, no. What was the actual question? Jay Rego, I'm going to find it. I'm going to find it, bro. I'm going to find it. Jay Rego. Possible BTC bullish divergence could form on the daily. Let's check it out. Let's pull up the daily. That would be nice. That would be nice. That would be a ooh. Jay Rego. I think what you're looking at is this. I guess what you're looking at is probably this, right? Lower low, right? Lower low here. And then you have your higher low here. Now, I know people who would argue that you're cutting through all these candles. I'm a little undecided on it. Technically, you have lower lows. Technically, you have a lower low here and higher lows here. However, I'll say this. I will say this. If the weekly bearish signals confirm, I would not put a lot of weight on this, to be honest. If that yellow X confirms on the weekly and the 7-day and the red dots are all confirmed, I wouldn't necessarily put too much weight on this. But yeah, I do see what you're looking at. I'm almost positive that's what you're looking at. I do see what you're looking at. Crypt TKO, what is going on, brother? Good to see you again, man. Says, haven't been able to super chat until today, but thanks for the never-ending sauce. Bing bong. What is going on, Crypt TKO? Love seeing you in here, brother. Thank you for the super chat. I really do appreciate it. Brian says, Frank, can you sprinkle a little optimism in the sauce tonight, particularly the 4-hour from yesterday into today's nonsense? Please and thank you. I think you're talking about good old OP. Let's go ahead and pull it up. I believe this is what you are talking about. Bada boom. Okay, let's see. The 4-hour chart is what he wants to see. As you guys know, this is the level we were looking to hold. We are now starting to lose this level. Coming down to the lower time frame. Yeah, there it is, guys. There it is. You break the level, bearish retest. You come back in, break the level, bearish retest, yellow X. These are the things, right? This is boom, bearish retest. Confirmation of the yellow X. Likely that you get the move down. Now, the move has started. So I'm not saying FOMO into a short. Again, I'm not saying FOMO into a short, But typically, and this isn't like a subliminal message to FOMO into a short either. I'm saying don't FOMO into a short. It's not a good idea. But a lot of times when you break down bearish retest and you get the confirmation of the LOX, it's typical that you do get a move down. Again, I'm not saying enter a short right now. I'm just saying that is very typical to happen. And again, it's already, again, not a subliminal message. It has played out, right? So you could potentially get a bounce here. I'm just saying. But a lot of times, I just like to point that out because I always say when you break a level and you bearish retest, a lot of times it gets nerve-wracking entering on that bearish retest because you're selling the green candles. But that yellow X can give you that little bit of confidence that you need to get into that trade. But technically, I would consider my entry missed on this. I'm not getting into a short on this right now. So, but taking a look at the 4 hour here, so I guess this was the 22nd. Let's see, 25th, right? Yeah. So, I guess this was the dump down, and then that was that little weird pump up, and now you're breaking it. Really, the sauce right here is that you are losing this level of support. You're bearishly retesting, getting that yellow X. And I'm going to pull up the VPVR to see where all the volume is being traded at, so we could kind of try to guess or estimate where this thing can go. So let's see. Okay. So okay, there we go. That's probably what I'm looking for right there. So if we lose the level that we're at right now, I would say that your next likely stop is going to be right here at about 92 cents, right? If you lose that level, next likely stop probably going to be 88 cents. So I would watch this little pocket right here. Let me get a box. I'd watch this little pocket right here. It's probably going to be your next stop. Shout out to Kaz. Thank you for that super chat. And George Marin, thank you for the super chat. Can you please take a look at ETC chart? Thank you for everything you do. George, I appreciate you for everything you do and all the support you show, brother. Thank you for the super chat. Kaz, top 5 altcoins. Probably going to make a pre-recorded video about this maybe next week as well. A lot of people are asking me this right now, probably because they're trying to accumulate. I would say top 5 altcoins. Are we counting Ethereum as an altcoin? I would say for me personally, Ethereum, if you want to consider that an altcoin. XR, I consider it the king altcoin. XRP, a little bit more of a risky play. Obviously, they're in a lawsuit. I know a lot of people hate XRP, but for me, it's XRP. Near, ApeCoin, Gala, Illuvium. That's 6. Polkadot Chainlink, Cardano. That's 9. I got to give you 10, right? Matic. Even though I'm shorting the heck out of it right now. Matic. There you go. There's 10. Double. There you go. You got double your money there. Let's get it. Shout out to Kaz. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you for the super chats, guys. Okay. ETC needs to dump already. Yeah, we'll take a look at it. But yeah, on OP, I would watch this level here. Take a little dump down to here. That's probably going to be, you do have another high volume node down here. And then your POC is down here. So let me do that. Get rid of the volume profile because I know this gets overwhelming to look at for you guys probably. So yeah, there's some levels to watch on OP. There you go. 92 cents or 93 cents almost. Boom, could get a move down there. From here, that's about a 12% move. And then if you lose this little box, probably going to be coming down to about 77 cents. Taking a look at Ethereum Classic. Guys, by the way, we're just going to start taking a look at the altcoins here. We kind of covered Bitcoin, and again, not much has changed. Even though we got that big move down, we've kind of it hit our target, and now you guys know where the next target is if we continue down. And you know about the bearish signs on the higher time frames. I'm kind of really happy about how we've been playing these markets, guys. We've been talking about a potential move down here for a while. Waiting for these higher time frames to, start confirming these, bearish signals. Happy to see it play out. And yesterday we were saying, we were talking to Garrett Soloway, expecting a potential, a short move up before the meeting, and then that big dump down after the meeting, almost happened exactly as we were talking about yesterday. So, super happy that we're able to call that stuff for you. And shout out to Garrett Soloway for spitting that sauce last night. Really do appreciate it. What kind of mic is that? This is a Sure MV7, I think. I don't know. I don't know where the model number is. Yeah, it's a Sure MV7. So, yeah. Yeah, James C says, can you do Rose? Yeah, we'll take a look at Rose as well. But here, Ethereum Classic, absolute moonshot. Look at this thing go. Dang, this thing ripped. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at this dang thing. Taking a look at the weekly, guys. Let's take a look at the weekly. Money flow in the red, obviously. Yeah, looking to print that red dot. Not as soon as it is on Bitcoin, but looking to get that red dot here pretty soon. Your 6-day, looking to print a red dot. Your 5-day has a confirmed red dot. Is that confirmed? Yeah, confirmed red dot on the 5-day. Your 4-day has a confirmed red dot as well. 3-day VWAP coming up, and your daily green dot is still intact here for ETC. But guys, listen to me, guys. Nothing goes up forever. Nothing goes up forever. And on the daily, you see what I see. It is a bearish divergence. Obviously, you did get a pretty big move down here. So maybe, yeah, so the bearish divergence was played out. You printed the green dot. You're coming back up. But I just point out the bearish divergence because it could be a top, right? You could have topped out here for ETC. You're just getting, you may now be starting a bearish trend, where you're just going to come up and just continue the move down potentially. And again, the higher time frames with the red dots and the VWAPs coming down would support that thesis. So, yeah, top out with the bearish divergence. The higher time frames start printing those red dots, those bearish signals, and then the thing comes down, right? So yeah, that could be what you're looking at here. So yeah, if you're looking for some levels, let's go ahead. I'll pull a fib here. Boom. Obviously, always a good level to be watching is that golden pocket. So go ahead and pull that down here. Probably going to be some strong resistance. Go ahead and just close Discord there. So yeah, here's some levels. We'll just pull the fib levels here. Boom, and then I will get rid of this. Look at that perfect rejection off of this fib level. And then, yeah. So some levels that you can keep an eye on for Ethereum Classic to the downside would be right here, about 32.87. If you break that level, looking at about 28.89. And if things start getting real ugly, watch that local golden pocket coming in at, watch that golden pocket coming in at about $25. Now, to the upside, let's see. Let's pull out our VPVR, see if we can find. Yeah, so your value area high, obviously, we rejected off of that value area high. And where is that POC? Not that. Is this the POC? Yeah, so for this, we are starting to bearishly reject off of the POC. And look at that, guys. You can't make this up. Your value area low, this blue line here, right? And this is, again, why I like volume profiles. It gives you the key levels of support and resistance so you don't have to go find them visually. But that value area low is coming in right on that local golden pocket. So I would consider this a key level, right? You have your local golden pocket as well as your value area low. So it is, if you do get a move down here, you start bouncing your way down. By the way, when you're below the POC, it is likely that you will come visit the value area low. And then once we get down here, this is where you would be looking for some support for a move up. But because we are rejecting off of that POC, it could be likely that we are coming down to that value area low. And again, probably going to be pretty strong support because you have the confluence of that golden pocket. So there you go. Just a little golden pocket Fibonacci volume profile sauce for you. A little penny vodka. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Josh, I don't know. Ben's office is like a Bitcoin think tank. Yeah, basically. Yeah, we're just in here constantly talking about crypto. Sometimes it's like crazy because all we do is talk about crypto and then we all go home. We talk about crypto. I look at the charts and then I come to work. I talk about crypto. Then if anyone meets up on the weekends to hang out, we all talk about crypto. Hang out with TJ. Talk about crypto, hang out with Ben, talk about crypto, hang out with DZ, talk about crypto, hang out with the Meta Money guys, talk about NFTs, gaming, and crypto, whatever it is. But hey, Frankie, what are your key levels for near? We will take a look at near protocol for sure. Bruce says my ears hurt. I don't know if that's because of your volume or because of the tone of my voice. But I hope it's not my voice because I can't lower. I could lower my voice, but I can't change the tone. But you can lower your volume. I don't know, but I hope it gets better. Shout out to who said that? I don't even know who said that. Bruce. Yeah, shout out to Bruce. Thank you for being here, brother. I appreciate you. A-Train says, yo, Mafia, what is going on, Mafia? What is going on, A-Train, I mean? J-Lo, our most famous CandleMafia member, guys. Shout out to J-Lo. Also, 577 people in here, guys. Smash that like button if you like Ledger Nano giveaways or if you like free NFTs. Go ahead and smash that like button. Going for 650 likes on today's stream. Can we do it? I think we can. All right. Let's see. Wick, what is going on, Wick? He says, talking about crypto, essentially my wife's idea of a living hell. Yeah, I could imagine. But hey, guys, I'm getting inquiries from Mrs. Candles about learning how to trade. So I don't know if there's a better situation than that. I thought the day would never come, and now I cry tears of happiness that Mrs. Candles wants to trade. Absolutely love it. Already got her in crypto, but now she wants to trade. Music to my ears. Anyway, okay, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these other alts. I heard Near. If you want to take a look at Near, Mike is popping a bit. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nightmare situation with this audio, guys. Literally, like I'm on a set that people just they'll just take the camera out of here, unplug everything, change all the settings, and I'm constantly having to fix everything. It's an absolute nightmare. We're making a home studio that will be consistent to just me and my videos. So we'll be able to literally make videos whenever I want. I could literally make videos at 3 a.m, which likely will happen. I'll be able to go live whenever I want. It'll all be consistent. It's going to be top-notch, high quality. It's going to look really good. And you guys are going to get like quadruple the content. I'm going to be able to make so many more videos to keep you guys updated. So stay tuned for that. The audio will be better. And yeah, there won't be any crazy things that happen. I every time I fix it, I come in the next day and things are just moved around and it's just it's impossible to fix. But yeah, it's getting better. We're working on it. Don't you worry. Crypt TKO, thank you again for the super chat. Numero dos. I appreciate it. How do you remove the POC price from TradingView? If you want to get, I think what you're asking for, if you go into the settings of your volume profile, come to style, scroll down, POC, click it, and it will disappear. There you go. I don't know if that's the question you were asking, brother, but Crypt TKO, let me know if I answered that. So go into the settings, go to style, uncheck POC. Okay. So, yeah. Oh, wow. Double blood diamonds on the 1 hour, baby. Dump this thing down. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at Near. Look at the KuCoin chart. Bada boom. Yellow X on the 1 hour. It's going to 0, boys. It's going to 0. I'm just kidding. Don't fondle the mic. Bruce, let me fondle. Let me fondle. Fondle is one of my favorite words. Oh, Rose. Yeah, Jimmy C. I got you, brother. Rose is next. Yeah, I touch the mic a lot. I know. It's there. It's there. I don't know. I do fondle it. You're not wrong. I do nothing but play with the mic. That's why I got to keep on the chart so I can keep my hands down. Shout out to Bruce. Let's see. What's the longest time you've ever had a trade open? I mean, like a trade not as my long-term holdings, like a trade on like a leverage trade or something like that. I don't know, a couple weeks, few weeks maybe. Yeah. I mean, we were recently not recently, but we were in an Ethereum short for weeks. I want to say like a month because it kept dumping. And then I was taking the profit. We would rip back up. I'd add to the position, ride it back down. Or we were in that trade for a long time. We were just riding that thing to 0. That removes the whole POC. I just want, the price removed. Interesting. You have a price on your POC? I don't think I do. Oh, wait, what? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where you're seeing a price. I don't think I have price. I would search through these. Oh, labeled price scale. That might be it. That might be it, brother. Label price scales or value in status line. That might be it as well. But yeah, I'm not 100% sure. Or maybe values. I would play around with these. It's likely it's one of these buttons, brother. But I'm sorry, I'm not 100% sure what you're talking about. But 9 months, dang, 9-month trade. Let's go. Hey, Frankie, could you look at FTM? I'm in a short right now. Yes, FTM and Rose are going to be next, but let's take a look at Near Protocol, getting rid of that VPVR, guys. But hey, we haven't looked at Near in a while, but look at these levels, guys. Look at these levels. boink, 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 bearish retest, boom, right? Boom, resistance, resistance, resistance. Now we're coming down. So whatever. Shameless plug for levels. Anyway, and look at that, guys. You break down, bearish retest, boom, blood diamond, right? Granted, you bearishly retested for quite some time down here. But let's go ahead and maybe I can move the mic away a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't pop as much. But let's go ahead and yeah. So here we go. On the daily, looking very similar to Bitcoin. You got the red dot. Now you're printing. You got the green dot. Now you're printing a red dot very soon after. Your weekly, let's check it out. No yellow X on your weekly. So that is looking a little bit better than Bitcoin. No yellow X on, God, that's annoying. No yellow X on your 7-day as well. Your 6-day is printing a red dot. Excuse me, 5-day printing a, oh, baby. 5-day blood diamond. This thing. This is bearish, guys. This is very bearish. We have never had this on the near chart yet, but this is, yeah, this blood diamond is very bearish as you're printing this red dot. And your 6-day printing that red dot as well, very bearish. 4-day confirmed red dot with that somewhat of a trigger wave. I wouldn't really consider that a trigger wave, but 2-day, 3-day, daily, yeah. I would say overall bearish. That this blood diamond, where was it on the 5-day? This 5-day blood diamond is pretty bearish. Now coming down to the 4-hour chart here, looking at the volume profile we have pulled here. Now look at this, guys. I want to show you this, right? You come up out of the value area. Boom, 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 boom. You're coming up, you're coming up, you're coming up, right? And this is what I mean by having new volume come in. You can see, right? This is where all your volume's being traded. You have a high volume node here, another high volume node here. This is where the volume is being traded, right? But then when you come out into these unshaded candles, your volume dramatically decreases, right? And we didn't have much volume coming in here. We didn't have any big high volume nodes being created up here as we ranged, right? The volume continued to stay low, which would make you expect that price is going to come down, right? And you would likely come down to the value area high, which is exactly what happened. And now you've broken below, bearishly retest with a yellow X, and now you're just continuously banging your head up here and you're moving down. Now, this, in my opinion, is looking likely to come down and touch down to this point of control, coming in at about $3.46 for near protocol. So if this thing continues to look bearish, sorry, we're going to have to do something with these boxes, guys. Yeah. Money flow coming out here as well. That is a bearish sign. And because you are below this value area high, it is likely you come to the POC right here at about $3.47. So there you go. There's some sauce on near protocol, some levels that you can keep an eye on. And now you know where the POC and the value area high are. And then your value area low is coming in at about $3.07. Jay Rego says, since you're on near, why so bullish on it? Just curious. I don't want to spoil our pre-record. People are asking questions about this, which is making me probably expedite recording this video. Shout out to Jay Rego. Thank you for the super chat. But yeah, I don't want to spoil the pre-record. I'm going to make a pre-record about the probably like top 3 coins or top 5 coins that I'm investing in. And I'll break them all down and give you reasons on why. Some technical reasons, some fundamental reasons. We'll break down what the projects are. But again, I don't really want to get into it because I don't want to spoil the video. But again, you guys did get my top 10 here. And you know, these are just 10. These are 10 altcoins I'm looking at. I would really have to sit down and like really think of the true top 3, right? Because generally, when someone say, "Hey, what are the top 3 coins I should invest in?" I naturally point them towards the blue chips, right? I point them to Bitcoin. I point them to Ethereum. I give them Cardano, right? Things like this. If someone's just getting into the market, I'm not telling them to ape into XRP or something like that, right? I like to keep it somewhat, safe, right? Not so, somewhat conservative, right? So for me to really think about the top 3 coins that I want to invest in, it starts to get fun, right? Because I'll tell you this. There might be one real big blue chip in there. Maybe there are a lot of blue chips. I don't know. I really have to think about it. But again, Jay Rego, I appreciate the I appreciate the super chat, but I don't want to spoil it. But I gave you the 10 coins that I'm looking at, so maybe that provides value. But Jay Rego, I appreciate you, brother. Let's see, H bar, please. Yes, we could do H bar. Let's see. Are we still thinking Bitcoin to 500K by 2030. By 2030. Maybe by 2030. I don't know. Let's break 100K first. Let's break 100K first, and then we can start thinking about. Then we can start thinking about 500K. Oh baby, oh we're getting it, boys. We're getting it. Let's go. Let's go. I told you. I told you. Oh, here we go, guys. It's happening live with the 1 minute blood diamond absolutely dumping us out of this range here. Oh baby. Oh, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Guys, value area low. I'm telling you, watch this level. I'm not saying we can't bounce from here. I'm not saying that we're not going to have pit stops on the way, but this is the 1 minute chart, guys. We could wick back up. It's not that crazy yet, but we start closing decisive candles down here, 2 hour candles, 4 hour candles. You know, we start closing big candles down here. It is going to be likely that we come down to this value area low, and that 1 minute just cracked that support. Bada boom, bada bing. Let's get it. Yeah, shout out to Lane Hughes for pointing that out. I saw your chat. Let's see. Just because it's short-term bearish doesn't mean bearish in the long term. Keezy, absolutely. Shout out to Jess's cousin. Kidding. No one gets that joke. Anyway, just because in the short term it's bearish doesn't mean it's bearish in the long. Yeah, absolutely. Keezy, absolutely. Yeah, like Bitcoin's dumping right now. This does not mean I don't believe in Bitcoin. I'm just saying it's dumping in the short term. Absolutely. People putting the cart before the horse. Yeah, I mean, probably, right? And people on both sides are putting the cart before the horse. Oh my God, the bottom's in. We're going to 100K. Like I wouldn't be so sure about that, right? Oh my God, we're going down to make lower lows. I wouldn't be so sure of that, right? So I'm a trader. People go, oh, you flip flop, you go back and forth. Absolutely, 100% I do. Absolutely, every single day. Every single day I flip back and forth. I might be bullish one day, might be bearish the next day. I am bullish long term on crypto, 100%. But I'm bearish tonight. I'm bearish right now. Tomorrow, if I got on a stream and I was mega bullish, that is possible. That was 100% possible. I think people think they catch you. They're like, but you said that you were bearish yesterday. I'm like, yeah, I did. 100%. But if you're a trader, you get it, right? You understand. But like, I think people think that, sometimes people come in the stream, they think they hear me say I'm bearish and they're like, oh, he thinks Bitcoin's going to zero. Not necessarily. But who said that? I forgot who said that, but shout out to you. Thank you. Thank you for being here. We appreciate you. It's Keezy. Yeah, exactly. It's always the extreme both ways with people. Yeah, absolutely. And that's what I try to preach on my channel. That's why I try to preach. Don't get the emotions involved, right? Because I think you say it's going down and the bulls get mad that you're saying it's going down. But unfortunately, the truth of the matter is it can go down. And then the bears get pissed off when you say it can go up. And yeah, you don't get too fanatical in either direction, right? I just I look at the charts. I think it's dumping. I short. I think it's pumping. I long, right? And as of right now, I would say I'm probably more of a bear than a bull emotionally, just because I want this thing to go down super low so I could buy in super low. But I'm not saying it's 100% going to dump because I want that to happen. I actually think the opposite. I think because I want it to dump down to lower lows, I think we might not get it. But yeah, shout out to Keezy. Thank you for being here. Let's see. The value area low is coming in at about 18,825, guys, right here. Okay. And I do share these charts in the Discord for anybody who's wondering. Still got 550 people in here, guys. Smash that like button. Going for 650 likes, and we are going to be giving away a ton of stuff. We're giving away 3 ledgers. We're giving away 30 NFTs, and then we're giving away some crypto as well for 25,000 subscribers. Shout out to the CandleMafia. I love each and every single one of you. I cannot wait to meet you guys. I'm taking 8 different trades today on BTC. Wow. 1-6, and I feel good. Let's go, Hayden. Shout out to Hayden. Making that money, trading Bitcoin. Let's get it, baby. Throwing money for you, Hayden. Let's get it. Let's get it. All of that just landed right back on the computer. I'm keeping this. I'm putting this back in my pocket. ETH needs to drop 80 more. I have a buy order. Let's go get those buy orders in. Hope says, thanks, Frankie. Hope, thank you. Like smashed, friends. Let's get it. Okay, so there you go, guys. It's happening live. We said it was going to happen live, or we were hoping it was going to happen live, and there we go. It's happening. Thank you for Lane Hughes. Thank you to Lane Hughes for pointing that out. But near what was the other coins we wanted to look at? Let's see. Bufo. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna work on fixing the this box here. I'm gonna try to make it where we don't have to deal with that anymore. Yellow X on the 30-minute. That'll dump you down some. There she goes. Double yellow. Oh man. But bear flags don't work. Bear flags aren't real, guys. That's what they say. At least that's what the haters say. The haters say bear flags don't work, but this looks like a bear flag breaking down. This looks like a bear flag breaking down. They working, baby. They working. So if you watch this channel, we on point over here. The Mafia has a crystal ball. And not me. I don't have a crystal ball, but the Mafia does. I'm telling you. I'm in the Discord, guys. I watch you guys. You guys have a crystal ball too. I know. We can't admit we have one, but got to keep it, quiet. Or otherwise the CIA and the government and FBI, they'll all be, I look into my crystal ball, it's just like FBI. Anyway, let's go ahead and move on to some more of these altcoins, guys. Let's go ahead and check on Matic. 77 cents. Dumper down, baby. Dumper down. Let's go ahead and check that trade. Oh, wait, did I get liquidated? Oh no, we didn't. Oh, come on. I kind of just want to close this. It's like, I don't care if I get liquidated, but like, I just want to get rid of this red trade. Anyway, okay. Let's go ahead and hit back to the charts. Fed dump. Let's get it. Okay. What was the other coins we wanted to look at? We had, H-bar. I heard H-bar out there. Let's check it. Looking at the KuCoin chart. Let's go. Get some of this cactus water. Hey, Frankie, did you look at ADA yet? Chris, I was waiting for you to look at ADA, so we'll look at it right after H-bar. Thank you for being here, brother. I appreciate you. Jay, what is going on? Stocks got wrecked. Let's go. Stonks. Let's go. I know how you feel. Curtis Neal, what is going on, brother? I love your lobster emoji, by the way. Let's go. 25. Hey, we said 19K incoming, guys. This might happen on stream, right? It's not clickbait. It is not clickbait, Pat. When we say, I almost said it's not clickbait, babe. Why'd I say that? We say 19K incoming. We mean 19K incoming, right? Anyway, okay. Taking a look at H-bar. Yellow X on the 30-minute, similar to Bitcoin. Looking pretty bearish in my own opinion. 1 hour Yellow X as well. This is dangerous. Dangerous stuff, guys. Dangerous stuff. Taking a look at the weekly. Let's start up here. Red dot looking to print here pretty soon. And then, coming down to the 6-day, 5-day confirmed red dot, 6-day printing that red dot, 7-day, looking for the Yellow X. No Yellow X on the 6-day, no Yellow X on the weekly. Back to the Heikenashis. 5-day confirmed, 6-day printing the red dot, 4-day confirmed red dot with a nasty little trigger wave. Surprised there's no blood diamond here, to be 100% honest. Bet you there's one on regular candles. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Knew it. Knew it. I have not looked at H-bar in a while. And trust me, I don't have the time to try to do predict, try to look at this and be like, I'm going to look like I predicted this. Just when you see these tiny little trigger waves with the red dot close to the zero line, that's typically when the blood diamonds print. But for some reason, it didn't pop up on the Heikenashis. That's why I assumed it was going to be on the regular candles. But let's go ahead and continue here. So well, actually, blood diamond on the 4-day, very bearish. Let's continue here on the Heikenashis. Your daily printing that red dot similar to Bitcoin, looking generally bearish. Red dot on the 12-hour, 16-hour red dot, 8-hour blood diamond. Look at that on the Heikenashis, 8-hour blood diamond. Guys, this looks bearish. This looks bearish. I'll give you the levels. It's definitely looking bearish. And again, guys, this is not a surprise to us, right? Like, was anyone who watches the stream, guys, let's see. If you watch the stream, this should not have been very surprising to you. So let's take a poll. Were you surprised to see this dump? Because I was not. I was expecting a little scam pump. I didn't realize I probably should have moved my stop loss on my ETH short. But we were expecting this move. Yes, I mean, we've been talking about it all week with the red dots on the higher time frames and the yellow X's printing. We're talking about it here on Ben's stream. But let me know if you guys were completely surprised or if you saw this coming based off of all the stuff that we've been looking at on this channel. Now, let's go ahead and find some levels for you beautiful people. Let's go ahead and pull up that VPVR, see where the volume's being traded, and let's go. Let's go ahead and see what we got going here. Okay. So here you are. Let's take a look at the 4-hour and let's get your levels. I'm going to go ahead and look at, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pull a fixed range. Let's pull a fixed range let's go from here to here. Bada boom. Here you go. Now I'm just going to mark these out, guys, right? This is the volume profile, fixed range volume profile. I'm going to mark out the value area high. Excuse me, value POC, value area low, get rid of the volume, and let's see what we're working with here. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, out of the value area, broke back into the value area, came right to the POC, right to the POC. Yeah, guys, this is why I say, like, don't overcomplicate things, right? Break the value area high, likely that you're coming to the POC. Almost immediately happens, and you have the confluence of your yellow X. You come down here, essentially bear flag, somewhat of a bear flag. I mean, maybe that's a stretch, but not, I mean, I don't know. Whatever, right? You come right down to the POC, you bounce, you lose the POC, you come to the value area low, right? So this is where I would look for some support at about 6 cents here, that value area low on H bar. If you lose, if you're going to go ahead and lose that value area low, let's see where you can look at down below. Actually, I don't even know. Yeah, we're not going to be able to get any lower levels than that because, well, I guess we could. Yeah, I mean, this value area, honestly, this value area low at about 6 cents is going to be your last line of defense before you really start taking a nuke here. So there's some levels to watch on H bar, but generally looking pretty bearish with those blood diamonds, yellow X's, and whatnot. What Cryptid Bees? Blanchard's changed the name. What is going on, Cryptid Bees? I'm just gonna call you by your new name now. Says what dump? Yeah, there's no dump. Let's go. Hey, Frankie, thanks for the market update earlier. Could you take a look at PYR? Yeah, PYR. What was the other one that popped up? Hey, baby, the yellow X is popping up. Hey, Frankie, can you? Oh, yeah, FTM. And then we'll take a look at, yeah, Jay, absolutely. It could have went either pump or dump whenever Powell opens his mouth. Yeah, 100%. I typically don't trade these things. I was in my Matic short with my way in profit, so I let that ride out. But obviously got stopped out in profit on my ETH short. But I typically don't really. I'm dumping right now. Let's go, Moki. But yeah, I typically don't trade these meetings or announcements, whatever they are. I don't trade them. It's extremely volatile. It's easy to get wicked out. So I typically don't trade them because for that reason, because it could pump or dump. Where was Ashi hiking? I heard it was in the Appalachians. Let's see. Finally, some price action. Let's go. I'm a boss. Be your own boss. Let's go. Okay. FTM. We'll take a look at FTM. And then what was the other one you guys just called out? Rose was the other one. And then someone else. PYR. PYR is another one. So hopefully Mrs. Candles can remember that because her memory is much better than mine. Okay. Let's see. Binance. No, we don't want that. Where's the KuCoin tether chart? There it is. Boom. Here we go. All right. So, wow, look how good that arrow aged, guys. We went right up to that level. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I mean, this one aged pretty well. But whatever. These are not prediction arrows. These are just me talking to you guys arrows. Okay. Looking very similar to Bitcoin. You got the green dot and the immediate red dot printing here. You have your weekly. Not looking as bad. Yeah. Probably going to print a red dot here on the weekly pretty soon. Your 6 days printing. Your 5 days confirmed. Your 3-day is, VWAP kind of starting to come back up. Let's see on our regular candles if we have any blood diamonds or anything on these higher time frames. 2-day, daily, nothing. But yeah, daily red dot, generally bearish, in my opinion. 12-hour VWAP confirmed red dot. Blood diamond on your 8-hour confirmed. This is pretty bearish, guys. The blood diamond on the 8 hour is pretty bearish. Your 6-hour, do you have your 30-minute yellow X? You do have your 30-minute yellow X right there. So looking pretty bearish, guys. Actually, probably going to wrap it up on the altcoins here. Once we look at Rose, that'll be the last one we look at. Rose and PYR will be the last one, the last altcoins that we look at, because we have a lot of giveaways to do tonight. And also, like a lot of these alts are looking exactly like Bitcoin, right? 30-minute yellow X, red dot on the daily, confirmed red dot on the 5 days, 6 days printing red dot. The weekly is about to print a green red dot. So everything's looking very similar, so I don't want to waste too much time because we do have a lot to do with these giveaways. But we got 574 people still in here, guys. Going for 650 likes. Like I said, if we hit 650 likes, I will add 20 spins on the wheel which will probably give you guys like 100 NFT giveaways or whatever it is. It's going to be insane. One thing that's for sure is I will be poor. Anyway, but I'm happy. I'll do it for you guys. All right. Let's see. Potential bullish divergence is going to happen here, but I think that I think it'll most likely get invalidated. Let's take a look at PYR. KuCoin. Yellow X on your 30. I mean, it's probably looking very similar. Yep, green dot. And then your immediate red dot. I'm just going to go through these pretty quickly here, guys. Yeah, your 5-day confirmed red dot. Your 6 days printing a red dot. Your weekly's printing a red dot, right? It's all looking bearish. It's all looking pretty bearish. Doesn't mean it can't turn around, but, it's just all generally looking bearish. Your 4-hour is looking the same as Bitcoin for the most part. So, yeah. And that's PYR. Try to find some levels for you. We lost this level. I'm just going to eye these out for you. You are coming up to some support here. Let me pull back up that VPVR. Oh, there you go. So you're at your, actually, let's turn off the VPVR. So you're at your value area low, looking like you're starting to lose it. Let me zoom out a little bit to get a better look here. Let's see. Yeah, you're losing that value area low at this point. So yeah, looking pretty bearish. I would say this though, if you hop at it, you're losing that value area. You do have some volume down here. It's looking bearish. Hopefully you could snap back up and hold on to that value area low. Yeah, if not nomadic short already, don't FOMO in or still looking good. The hobby cop, we'll talk about that in a second. I would say don't FOMO. Don't FOMO right now. Everything has come down a lot. There's going to be bounces. There's going to be better entries than we're at right now, especially just because we started absolutely getting wrecked right now. Don't FOMO in right now. Not a good idea. But we'll take a look at it in a second. Let's see. Let's go, Sean. Sean, I see you, brother. I see you. Can't read it out loud, but I see you. Let's see. And then the hobby cop, I will touch on that. I love free stuff. Here, have a like, have a subscribe, have a notification bell. Thank you, Wick. I appreciate you. Shout out to Jay. Did Frankie cover ETH already? I think we covered ETH. G-Man, what is going on, G-Man? And Flat Smack, what is going on, guys? What was the other one? PYR. Oh, no, we just looked at PYR. Rose. Let's take a look at Rose, and then we'll look at that Matic short. I'll try to give you maybe a potential better entry for a trade, and then, we'll take a look at that in just a second. Okay, pulling up that VPVR again. Oh, let's just do our typical analysis, right? Daily, looking similar to Bitcoin. Weekly, looking similar to Bitcoin. It's all the same. Oh, 6-hour blood diamond printing on Rose. Yikes. That's very bearish. That is very bearish, guys. This has never happened before on this chart, at least, and it is printing. Might confirm. You still got about 2 days and 1 hour to confirm this bearish. 2 days and 1 hour to confirm this blood diamond on Rose. If it confirms, very, very bearish in my opinion. Your 7-day, no yellow X. Your regular candles, no yellow X. The weekly with no yellow X. But yeah, red, blood diamond on the 6-day. Yeah, looking very, very similar to everything else. I will go ahead and pull some levels for you, pulling up that VPVR. Let's see. Just pull it from, basically this whole range here. Let's see. Yeah, let's go from here. Boom. Okay. Yeah, so you are dancing with that POC. I would watch this value area low coming in at about 5 cents. Coming in at about 5 cents. That is the next level I would watch to the downside to get some decent support. You also have some more support down here at about 0.046 cents. And I will just pull a little bit of a Fibonacci and I'll let you guys know. Yeah, you're sitting at that golden pocket. Again, very coincidentally, it lines right up with that POC. It's very, very strong level. More often than not, you could get your golden pockets to line up with your POC, showing that it's a very strong level. But, you do have this other bada boom. You have your 786 right here that you could potentially find some support on. So, if you continue down, maybe you get a little bounce off that 786 before continuing to that value area low. If you lose the value area low, expect to come down to this level here at about 0.046 cents. So screen. I can already see it. I can already hear it. But yeah, so there you go. There's some levels to watch on Rose. Guarav Singh says, bro, trade. We're in some trades already. We were just showing them. We showed them like a bunch of times. But yeah, bro, trade. We do trade. I do trade. I do. But anyway, yeah, so there you go. There are some levels to watch for on Rose. Now, let me go ahead and bring up what got me into that Matic short. Let's see. Let's pull up Maddox coming in at 76 cents, and let's clear this VPVR. Let's zoom it out a little bit. Go to the daily. Bada boom, bada boom. And then let me just get rid of all this garbage. Get rid of this garbage. Get rid of that garbage. Get rid of this garbage. Okay, so if you guys are curious to what got me into the Maddox short that we were just showing, what got me in was this bearish divergence. I covered this in the market update, but big bearish divergence on the daily, right? This is extremely indicative of a move to the downside right now. Not only were we pulling a bearish divergence, but we were also coming very close to the 200-day moving average, which is very strong resistance when you're below it. We also had a horizontal level of resistance as well as a local golden pocket. So tons of very strong resistance up here, as well as pulling a bearish divergence. So we did get that big move down, basically rode this all the way down from almost the top here. And then, so the question was, is it still looking like a good short? Now, I will say, the short that I'm in, I know I just showed that short. It was up like 40% or whatever. You have to understand that I entered this trade days ago, right? I got in way early over here. So you have to understand, right? You're asking if it's a good entry. I got my entry here. And I just want to I want to explain this because I kind of want to give you the like what you should be thinking about when entering a short, right? For example, I got in up here. You're looking to get in up here, right? This is where I would be looking to start locking in some profits, not entering the trade. However, if you are looking to potentially get into a trade on Matic, let me see if I can try to find you somewhat of an entry here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull a fixed range volume profile right here. So you are below the value area low, right? You're below this blue line. You bearishly retested, and now you're coming down. So you could potentially, if things start to, if you get some things to start to round off here, you could get a bounce back up to that value area high. But let me find some levels below us and use that VPVR. Let's see. Yeah, so when looking at this broader range, let's look at it from here to here, right? Now your POC has moved all the way down here. So you've actually come in. If you're looking at this range, you've come up, hit the value area high perfectly with that bearish divergence, which adds a little more confidence to the resistance up there. And now you're riding this short down. And it would be likely, this is not your POC. Your POC is up here. Your POC is up here. So you're under the POC. Could be likely that you are going to be coming down to visit this value area low. Now it does look. Let's see. Let me see if this is indeed a bear flag, right? Let's come down to a lower time frame and try to see. Let me try to perfect this one. Bada boom. Yeah, I mean, I would wait. I would wait on this. I would say wait on the short on Matic. Like I said, I entered this short days ago. We put it in the Discord when I entered. I did put it in the Discord to let everybody know. So I would say this. I forget who asked that question, but love the show. Richard Vaver. I appreciate that. Just got divorced. Ouch. Ooh, my man. Well, welcome. Now you're part of the family, bro. So I'm sorry to hear that, but hey, welcome to the family. Something good happened into your life. It's this, man. You're part of the mafia now, and there's no coming out. So we're happy to have you. I appreciate you, showing some love in the chat. Welcome to the family. Get ready to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. But Yeah, I would say get in that free Discord, and I continually put TA and calls in there. And I would say hopefully you can catch the next one. I wouldn't FOMO into a Matic trade right now, to be honest. I don't really see a decent entry right now, especially when you're in a not a parabolic move, but when you're in an absolute dump right now like we are. Yeah, I would skip out on it. I don't want you to get wrecked. Okay, now you're free. That's what Lane Hughes says. Let's go. Let's see. Lagunitas used to be my go-to. Nice. Let's go. Congratulations. You guys are funny. You guys are too funny. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Bada boom, bada boom. Let's go. Oh, you guys talking about man, chat is lit. Chat is lit. Guar saying, tell me any trade, brother. I would say this. Shout out to I hope I'm not butchering your name, brother. It's Guarov Singh. I hope that's right. It's probably not, but shout out to you, brother. I don't FOMO in. That's my trade. That's my trade call tonight. Is don't FOMO into a trade. But if you watch this show, you would have been able to catch some of these trades a lot earlier. So the best advice I can give you right now is get in that free Discord. If I see any good setups over the weekend, I will be putting them in, maybe even later tonight. If I see anything good, I will throw it in there. So just keep an eye on that Discord, man. We're constantly putting in that stuff, the calls like that in the Discord. So, and tune into the stream whenever you can, because we call all this stuff on the stream as well. So again, I know it feels like you're probably feeling like you're going to miss out on these gains. Trust me, I learned the hard way when I was starting to trade. I learned the hard way. Anytime you try to FOMO into a trade, it is very likely that you are FOMOing in at the bottom of the move. So again, if you're looking to short, like you wouldn't want to short here. And the reason for that being is, now this is the 15-minute, assuming you're trading the 15-minute chart. You wouldn't want to trade right here. Well, let's go to the 4-hour. It makes more sense, right? On the 4-hour, you wouldn't necessarily want to enter a trade right here, because look at this. On Market Cipher B, you are very, very oversold, right? So you're essentially shorting into an oversold area. It's likely to get a bounce when you're this oversold. So you don't want to short up here. I mean, you don't want to short down here. You want to short up here. You want to short the blue candles, because look at your momentum waves on Market Cipher B. Or, if you don't have Market Cipher B, which I assume you probably don't, if you look at the RSI, this is a free indicator. This is the free indicator on TradingView. You can pull up your RSI. I'm giving you guys the sauce here. Let's go. As you can see, right? You're getting close to an oversold level. You don't want to short these levels. You want to short when the RSI is higher, right? So ideally, you would want to short an overbought area, which would be right here. And you can see if you shorted up there, you would be shorting here and you would have rode this all the way down, right? And, you wouldn't want to short here. You would want to short up here, right? Now, I would wait till you're oversold to short, but, when you get that, a sign as clear as I saw on Matic, it is pretty safe short. But you could see when you're up here, the RSI has room to come down. But this doesn't have much more room to come down. Even if you get oversold, you might come down a little bit, but it's likely you're going to get a reversal here pretty soon. So I just don't want you to jump into a short this low. And because everything is kind of dumping like this, a lot of the coins look like that, right? So if you're going to FOMO into a trade, I wouldn't be FOMOing into a short, maybe FOMOing into a scalp long. But if you haven't been trading long, I wouldn't go. You would be going against the trend at that point. And if you're just starting out, I don't recommend that you trade against the trend. So I would wait for a reversal. Maybe you get a bounce back up to this level here. Maybe you get a back up to this level here, this POC. And if you got to bounce back up to that POC and things were still looking bearish as far as Market Cipher B or your other indicators, you could watch that roll over, and then that is where you would want to grab an entry to ride it back down to here and hopefully even lower. So Guarov, G-Man, what is going on? Guarov, if you're still in here, brother, that was for you. So I hope that kind of cleared things up for you. Joker O Crypto, what is going on, man? Thank you for the super chat. He says, just posted the latest Sauce Boss results of today's trade. Thanks to all the knowledge I get here. Thanks again, Joker O Crypto. You crushing more trades, bro? Calm down, brother. Calm down. Leave some money for the rest of us. I'm just kidding. Shout out to Joker O. You've been crushing the trades, bro. Did you post it in the The question is, did you post it in the guys? Also, National Dog Day. Shout out to all the good boys and the good girls out there. National Dog Day, in my opinion, this is one of the most important holidays ever. Is one of the most important holidays that could ever exist is International Dog Day. But so shout out to all the good boys and girls. I actually think I want to make a channel in our Discord just called Good Boys and Girls where everyone just posts their dog. But let's see. Joker O Crypto. Guys, this is the free Discord. If you're new here and you're not in our free Discord, here's some of the free sauce that I post in here. Not every day, but it's multiple times a week. I put these stuff in here. If you were, here you go. This is proof. We keep the receipts around here. If you come to the altcoin TA, guys, here is this from the 14th, right? So this was almost 15 days ago. We put this. I put this in the Discord. Could be a good short opportunity coming up on Matic with a potential bear div about to print. We are also approaching the 200 moving average, 200-day moving average, and then that was right here. This is where I took my short. Was right up here, and now actually, dang, that arrow is actually pretty accurate to where we are right now. Not that I meant to do that, but it's just funny. But yeah, so this trade, this was in here when we were all the way up here, and it has played out absolutely perfectly. So that is the value that we are spitting in the Discord, guys. So definitely get in here if you're not already. And then obviously we're putting, tons of sauce and TA about, right, again, here's the, right, this is what we put a few days ago. About 3 days ago, I put this in the Discord. Right now, things pretty much remain the same. We have a 4-hour red dot printing, but we are basically just still ranging in this bear flag. The bullish case is the daily green dot. A good bounce off of this daily could indicate the bearish, could invalidate the bearish signals on the higher time frames, and we could resume the rally to the upside. However, we need to see what happens when we finally print that green dot. And as you know, when we printed that green dot, it was immediately invalidated, right? And then I don't know exactly where it is, but as you can see, that POC, it has been here forever. So we call these all early. But if you come down here, guys, we do have a very special section called the Winners Wall, which I think this is where everybody puts their wins if they're trading. And there you go. Mafia is killing 168%, 328%. We could just scroll through here. 7%. We don't judge our wins over here. A win is a win, guys. I don't care if it's 1%. You can go ahead and throw it in here. And look at that. You got up a trade. Can't seem to win one without losing the next. Hey, sometimes that's the name of the game. But there you go. Some absolutely crazy gains in here. But yeah, let's see. Joker O Crypto, did you post in here? Rob the Crypto Snob. Frankie says, don't FOMO into a Matic short. Others say, wee. Yeah, well, there you go, guys. FOMOing will work once in a while, but definitely a dangerous game. Rob the Crypto Snob. We're trying to teach these people safe trading. Rob the Crypto Snob out here just yeehawing into those trades. Florida Man, Stimulus. Look at this. Let's go. ADA short, BTC short, ETH short, SHIB short. Look at that. 121%, 102%, 108%, 78%. Let's go. Absolutely crushing it in this Discord, guys. Where's Cryptakeo? Is he in here? He said he just posted it. There it is. No, not Cryptakeo. Joker O Crypto. 208%. Bow. You're the king, brother. And then this is Child's Play. 219%. Let's go. Joker O Crypto, I think you were the one that said you hopped in here and you basically started winning a ton of trades. Was that you? It might have been. I'm not 100% sure. But there you go, guys. Get into Discord. We basically just throw money around. It's super, super fun. But yeah, let's go. Yeah, shout out to Rob the Crypto Snob. Guys, do as we say, not as we do. But no, listen. You can always, if something's dumping, you can always just hop into a trade and hope to ride it back down. But again, if you want to actually trade and be short and put the odds in your favor, you don't want to short into oversold territory, right? Because it's likely you'll get at least a short-term bounce. But hey, Rob, shout out to you, brother, crushing those trades. Absolutely love it. But guys, with all that being said, let's go ahead and spin this dang wheel because we are running out of time. So let's spin this wheel and give away our free NFTs and our Ledger Nano S's and all this other good stuff that we're giving away. But let's see, 492 likes. We did not get to 650. So let's see if we can run it up to 650 likes before we finish spinning the wheel. If we get to 650 before we finish spinning the wheel, I'll give you guys an extra 20 spins on the wheel. And let's all try to click that like button at the same time. Ready? Get your finger on that like button. 1, 2, 3. Smash that like. Let's see if we can get this thing to jump up to 600 in 5 minutes. I'm going to race you guys. Okay. So let's see, 573 people. We're getting a second wave of people in here. Let's go. Perfect timing for the giveaway, guys. Let's see. Okay, so right now it's going to be 5 likes, 5 spins. Let's go. 650 likes, you guys get 20 spins. Let's go. But you, I don't know if we'll be able to do it in 5 spins. It's not going to take that long. Oh, so close to it, baby. So close. Actually, that wasn't close at all. I lied. Let's go, baby. And let's just kind of chat here. Mafia gang in the green while in the red. Let's get it. Absolutely. Danny C. Thanks, Frankie. Do you ever trade equities? Not really. Thank you for the super chat, Danny C. Thank you for being here, brother. I appreciate you. Satoshi Glakamoto, my hands are bleeding from catching so many falling knives. Let's go, Satoshi. But that's why we have diamond hands. Is that right? That is right. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Give my grandma back her money. Never. Let's see. FOMO into the like button. Guys, if you are going to FOMO into something, FOMO into that like button. All right, let's see. We already have 30 NFTs to give away. Yes, 31. Okay, so 31 NFTs to give away. Okay, yeah. If we had to do, I'll be honest, guys, if we had to do 20 spins on the wheel, we would be here all night. So let's see. Actually, that might work as reverse psychology. Guys, please. I wonder if anybody does that. Guys, please don't like the video. Please don't like the video. I could guarantee everybody likes the video if someone says that. Diamond calves. Let's go, Eric Ward. You guys know I got those diamond calves. Let's go. I think that was 5. I'll give you guys 1 for good luck. Let's get it. What? I can't hear you. Oh, Mrs. Candle says Lane Hughes said a very funny joke. Let's see. Let's find it. Lane. Daily candle close is a volatile time, and it's in 13 minutes. Can't wait. That is not a funny joke. It's up more. Let's see. I got to see his reaction. That's not a funny joke. Oh, Lane Hughes. Here we go. At Frankie Candles, I lost my job at the bank today. A woman asked me to check her balance. So I pushed her and she fell on the floor. Hey, Lane Hughes, that is an amazing joke. I love that. Lane Hughes, that is my style of joke, my man. That is the kind of jokes I like. And oh wait, hold up a second. Joker O Crypto with another super chat. Thank you very much, man. In the winner's wall, up over 400% for today. Ethan BTC, let's go. Joker O Crypto, killing it in that Discord. And Danny C, thank you for that. Thank you for that super chat as well. 1, 2, 3. So we have 34 NFT giveaways plus. Actually, mods, let me know. 33 giveaways. Is that including the ledgers, or is it 33 NFTs? Let me know real quick while we pull up our winner picker here. Let's see. Bear with me, guys, while I pull up this. There we go. And let's go ahead and pull these links. Thank you, Joker O Crypto, with another $20 super chat. Appreciate it, brother. 9 out of 10 in the last 6 months. Win the 10 is break at entry. So far, risk management and goals. Lol. Also, phobia of not taking profit really helps. Don't be greedy. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got you. Don't be greedy. TP set. The stop loss. Don't move. Don't move it unless it's more into profit. Learned it all here. Joker O Crypto, man. Shout out to you guys. Joker O Crypto is a perfect example of taking information and applying it in the right way, right? We always preach this stuff. Set your take profit, set your stop loss, don't move them, and just let it play out. Trust your TA. These are key factors in becoming a successful trader, and Joker O Crypto is off to an amazing start, and I'm glad you were able to learn that stuff here. Glad we were able to help you, brother. Thank you so much for being here, man. We really do appreciate you. Mrs. Candles is always right. We both know that. Who said that? Medicine Man, 1273. You're dang right. And Mrs. Candles is like, yeah, you better say that. Yeah, absolutely. You're funny, brother. Visum says, me. Gonna win my first CandleMafia NFT. Let's go. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and pull these winners So it is going to be, let's see, yeah. Like and comment on the trading bot update video. Yes, we're going to pull. Hey, Rob, can you put both videos in there? I forget which ones they are. I just need to do them. Kanan McDonald, I'm going to say this. I will look at Sheeb last minute because you sent the super chat. But for everybody else, I just want to preface this. I appreciate the super chats, but any super chat after this with a coin, I am not going to look at it just because we will literally be here all night. So just a heads up. I will do this one just because they didn't know. But we're done with the altcoins other than the Sheeb, even if it's a super chat. Just to give you guys a heads up, we will be here all night. And BTC will rise again. Absolutely. If I win, can I have a hat instead of an NFT? I need that hat in my life. Lane, we'll see. We'll see. The hats are much more expensive than the NFTs, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. And then we will have to move the rules around. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But okay, let's see. Trading bot update. Let me get this link real quick. And let's go ahead and pull some of these winners. Paste, filter duplicates, remove winners. Oh, God, guys. They always get me with these math problems. Does anybody know what is this 5 + 4? Does anybody know what that is? All right, let's see. Yeah, so, okay, 33 NFTs and 2 ledgers. Okay, thank you, Tyler. Thank you, Tyler. Mrs. Candles, you're on this, right? All right, Mrs. Candles is on this. She's going to keep us on track. Adrian Neal, what is going on? Okay. We're going to start with the NFTs. We're going to do 15 on the first video. Guys, what's 5 + 4? Please, somebody tell me. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, gotcha. Mods, you do it. That's fine. We can. I will do what you guys are doing. Okay, yeah. So to join the NFT giveaway, top 3 indicators for big gains. Okay, so let's do that. Oh wait, what? Top 3. I can't click the link. To enter the NFT. Top 3 indicators. Okay, gotcha. Top 3 indicators. Gotcha. Okay. Get shareable link, and let's call this thing. I wish we can. Hey, Mrs. Candles. Maybe we should bump that music. You're on the computer there. Yeah. What? Do you see there's a little bar there? There's a little bar there that's like a blue bar that's moving like up and down. Looks like music playing. It's in one of those small boxes. Guys, we got Mrs. Candles running the board here. She's new at it. Give her a chance. You see the blue bars moving up and down? Okay, so there's a button underneath that says audio. Go ahead and click that button. No. Okay, is there music playing now? All right. Does it sound good or is it overwhelming?
Tyler Ramos.
I guess I guess it's overwhelming if you. Yeah. Okay, you could cut it off if it's too much. Crypto Pollo, our first winner. Let's go ahead and start pulling these. Sorry, guys, I got distracted. All right, let's see. I'm back. Did we start the giveaway? Hey, Satoshi, we literally just called the first one. Crypto Pollo with the chicken emoji or chicken with the chicken icon. Absolutely love it, brother. Shout out to Crypto Pollo or Bitcoin Chicken, as we call him. Appreciate you for being here, brother. You show so much support. You deserve this, my man. Says, I need to get Lux and Market Cipher at this point. Another video. Cluck. Let's go, Crypto Pollo. Appreciate all the support, brother. You deserve it. I know you're in here. Shout out to you, brother. Please enjoy that NFT. Reach out to the mods to collect that NFT. Mrs. Candles, are you marking these down? All right, she's marking them down. Yeah, Discord Tyler. Let's go. Unforgettable name, guys. I'm feeling the OGs getting these NFTs tonight. Says, don't forget my name. It's unforgettable name. I got you, brother. Congratulations. Hit Tyler up in the Discord, or one of the mods up in the Discord, to get your NFT. Winner number 3. Jonathan Schaefer. Let's go. Jonathan, you in here right now, bro? Tim Shea, what is going on? Welcome back, brother. Yeah, Jonathan Schaefer, shout out to you, man. Thank you for all the support. Wish I had Lux Algo. Hey, we've done Lux Algo giveaways before, so potentially you could win it on the show, just like you won this NFT. we will be potentially giving away some more Lux Algo sometime in the near future. Shout out to Jonathan Schaefer. Thank you for all the support. Next winner. Here we go. Jared Palmer, let's go. Shout out to you, brother. I appreciate you. He says, best tip you have ever given. You don't always have to be in a trade. I made a huge mistake a while ago, FOMOing into a trade late at night. I fell asleep without setting my take profit and woke up being stopped out at a 90% loss. I will never make that mistake again. Jared Palmer, we were literally just talking about that, man. That's why you don't FOMO into trades. You want to be safe. And listen, we were talking about, I think this with Garrett the other day. Sometimes you got to touch the hot stove, right? Sometimes you can learn something via a video or read something. But sometimes, like for me personally, I got to touch the stove. You could tell me not to do something. I got to figure out why, right? Even if you're right. Sometimes you just got to touch that hot stove yourself. And, it's easier to learn from other people's mistakes. But hey, sometimes you got to learn yourself. Can't hate on that. But Jared, shout out to you. Learn from Jared. Learn from me. Don't make the mistake yourself. Learn from us. Next winner, shout out to Jared. Who do we got? Taylor Tortorella. What is going on? Shout out to you. Thank you for all the support. Says, I always look forward to your live streams. Bing bong. Thank you, Frankie. You're changing lives. Wow. That is, thank you so much for that kind comment, Taylor. Appreciate you watching the channel. Appreciate you coming into the lives. Shout out to you. You won a free NFT. Guys, I find it amazing that we've never had a hate comment pop up on one of these. But here's the rules. I'm going to set the rules before it ever happens because it's likely going to happen at some point. If the comment is a hate comment, you can bet your bottom dollar right now the giveaway is not going to be sent to you, just so you know. Depending on what it is. It'll be up to my discretion. I'm making the executive decision here. If it's like a funny hate comment and I like it and like they're making fun of me, but it's funny, I can laugh at myself, then maybe you get it. But like if it's just like a senseless hate comment, nothing. So just we're saying that right now. So those are the rules of the giveaway. Okay, here we go. Let's go, baby. Thank you, Taylor. Appreciate you. Victor Lopez, let's go. Shout out to Victor. You want a free NFT. Love it, baby. Let's go. I love you, Victor. Thank you for being here, brother. Hit up the mods in the Discord. Next winner, here we go. Mike Nice, 860. Excellent video as always. Thanks, Frankie. Hey, Mike, thank you for being nice. I appreciate you. Thank you for winning this free NFT. Thank you for winning this free NFT. Reach out to the mods in Discord and get that thing in your wallet. Let's go. Next winner. We're going to start flying through these because we do have a whole lot of them. Tim Kern, what is going on? Frankie, you are always given the best information. Thanks for looking out for the Mafia. Tim, anytime, man. It is my honor. I actually feel blessed to be able to do this for you guys. It never feels like work. I get stressed out sometimes, but it never feels like work. Truly blessed to be able to do this and help out you guys and help you guys out. Amazing. Reach out to the mods. You deserve this NFT, man. Thank you for the nice comment. Let's go. Ginger Pickett. What is going on? Thank you for leaving this comment. I don't know what it says yet, but now we're going to read it. Thank you, Frankie. Thanks for bringing the sauce. You keep bringing more and more knowledge every day. Ginger, I try as hard as I can. I'm glad you're getting some value out of this YouTube channel. Shout out to you. Not only is the YouTube channel free, you can learn here for completely free, but you also get free stuff sent to you. So shout out to you. Reach out to the mods in Discord. And guys, don't forget, even in uncertain times, our life-saving work must continue. Oh, St. Jude's. Actually, for real, shout out to St. Jude's. Yeah, you guys know I make jokes about the ads, but actually shout out to St. Jude's. Doing amazing stuff. Next winner. I hope I win. Nathan, I'm pulling for you, brother. Will Dolph straight up commented just 3 rocket ship emojis. Couldn't think of a better comment, to be honest with you, brother. Let's dump this thing and then send it to the dang moon. Shout out to Will. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the rocket emojis. And reach out to the mods in Discord. Next winner. Let's see. Hodgepodge. Let's go. Shout out to Hodge. You in here right now, Hodge? You're like almost always in here. Shout out to Hodgepodge. You won. Awesome intel, Frankie. Hey, I got the intel for you, Hodgepodge. Reach out to Tyler or any of the mods in Discord to win your free NFT or to get your free NFT. Hodgepodge, thank you for being a longtime supporter. You've been a part of this channel like forever, and I appreciate it so much. I'm not watching chat, but Mrs. Candles keeps laughing. Michael Heath, what is up, Michael Heath? Thank you for entering the giveaway. Whoever threw that paper, your mom's a Joe. Hey, guys, I want to say one thing, guys. I want to say one thing. Michael, shout out to you. And thank you for making it Joe so I didn't say a bad word on stream. I appreciate that. Whoever threw that paper, your mom's a Joe. If you get it, you get it. But guys, I want to say something. I want to say something pretty serious right now before we continue. I'm going to cut to the face camera here, guys, and I want to say something pretty serious here. And I don't know if anybody's going to understand what I'm saying, but I'm just going to go for it. I'm gonna take a leap here, and this is what I have to say. For me, I really like Cone. All right, back to the giveaway, guys. I don't know if anyone's going to get that, but if you get it, you get it. It's just ever since I found out that Cone was real, I really love Cone. Anyway, next winner. Let's go. Here we go. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Jiren. What is going on? Jiren says, thanks, Frankie. Appreciate, as always, the way you present the info and the honest feedback you give us on indicators. Jiren, absolutely. Anytime, man. I am here to give you guys unbiased reviews. Obviously, you guys know, we have links for Market Cypher and Lux Algo. These are legitimately things I use every single day. I don't just promote any old indicator. I might bring them up on stream and talk about them, but I am not going to just promote any random indicator. These are indicators I use every single day. And I are actually useful to me, right? This isn't just a random garbage indicators. These are some seriously powerful indicators. So yeah, so shout out to you. You always get an honest feedback from me. We even told Market Cypher I've been using forever. But listen, we even told Lux Algo, we were talking to Sean, who obviously it wound up working out great. We love Lux Algo. But we told him, we said I want time to, before we actually started bringing it up on stream and stuff. I put it through the ringer, right? I told him, I want to test it out. I don't just want to if it's not good, we're not going to promote it. But it wound up being a banger indicator. So if you guys do want to check out Market Cypher or Lux Algo, we got crazy deals for you guys in the description down below if you want to save some money. But oh wait, oh no, okay, good, we're good. Goran Matic says awesome. Hey Matic, awesome, and shout out to letting me short your last name for some gains. Shout out to Goran. Reach out to the mods. We love you, brother. Thank you for the awesome comment. Let's go. Medicine Man, what is going on? Fellow Goomba, being served family style. Let's go. Medicine Man, or, I would call you Medicini Man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you, brother. I appreciate that. Hey, from one Goomba to another, brother. Congratulations. Reach out to the mods in Discord and get your NFT, or else. I'm just kidding, brother. Shout out to my paisan. Next winner. Let's go. Here we go. There he is. There he is. Lane Hughes. We said it, brother. We said it. DXY is pumping. Yes, let's go. A big lump with, oh, there we go. Chris Schaefer. It's a big lump with knobs. It's got the juice. It has the juice. Let's go. I don't know. Are we going to get a copyright strike for playing that? Because I'm gonna play it. I'm going to play it, guys. I'm going to play it. If you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, then you're whatever. This is going to make no sense to you. Let's see.
I can tell you all about it. I mean, look at this thing. Gonna try this and I don't anything.
There it is, guys. It's Cone. Anyway, I don't know if anyone got that. I know Chris got it. Lane, let's go. Congratulations to you, Lane. I love when you win these giveaways. This is number 2 for you, brother. But shout out to you, man. We played the Cone song for you. And Lane, I got one thing to say. Thanks, guys. Yeah, absolutely, brother. Congratulations. You know what to do. I don't got to say it. Bought a new doorbell today. It goes bing bong. Let's go. Shout out to you, Lane Hughes. And just one more thing I got to say. It's Cone. Anyway, let's go, guys. This corn kid took over the world. Took over the world, this guy. He's better than the I like turtles. It's very, very rare. This kid is an elite meme, right? Elite. He's up there with the I like turtles guy. He's up there with the apparently I've never been on live television before. He's up there with that kid, right? These are absolute legends. This guy's going down in history. Absolutely love it. I also love Colin. AZTV, shout out to AZTV. Thank you for all the support, brother. You're in here a lot. Yes, sir. He says, yes, sir. I say, yes, sir. Let's go. Shout out. Reach out to the mods in Discord. AZ, we love you, brother. We love you over here. Let's go. People be funny. Let's see. Ajaz says, so you're not talking about crypto? No, sir. Well, kind of. Not really right now. We're doing giveaways. We just, if you scrub back, yeah, we did. Is it going to dip even more? In my opinion, I do think it will dip even more. But if you scrub back a little bit, we did just cover like everything. We covered all the alts. We covered ETH. We covered the DXY. We covered SPY. We did 2 hours of analysis. Now we're doing a giveaway. Hopefully you're in there, brother. Hopefully you're in there. Thank you for being here. Ajaz, appreciate you, brother. Anyway, Chris says, awesome video. Shout out to Chris. Like your, I don't know what to call these avatars. Shout out to Chris. Thank you for joining into the giveaway. You want a free NFT? Reach out to the mods in Discord, and thank you for all the support. Next winner. It's gone. Sniper's Nightmare. What is going on, brother? Are you in here? You might be in here right now. Let's see. Keep up the great work, Frankie. Hey, Sniper's Nightmare. I appreciate the support, man. Comments like this are the ones that keep me going. Really do appreciate it. We're at fair and Frankie's handing out. Oh, we're at the fair and Frankie's handing out prizes. You get a prize. You get a prize. Jeez, can't grab the money. You get a prize. You get a prize. You get 25K on YouTube. Y'all get prizes. Let's go. Oh God, that's gonna be a lot of cleanup. Let's go. Shout out to the CandleMafia. Sniper's Nightmare. Thank you for the kind comment, brother. Reach out to the mods in Discord. You deserve it. Let's see. Bud Lightyear. 2 NFTs and beyond. Shout out to Bud Lightyear. You are literally always in here, man. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, it says, great sauce from Godfather Frankie. I appreciate the love, brother. Thank you for always. You get an NFT. You get an NFT. But yeah, thank you for always being in here. Oh, AZTV, he's in here. Hey, mods, my Discord name is different. Yeah, we'll get it to you, AZ. Bud Lightyear, shout out to you, brother. I appreciate you for always being in here. You show so much support, brother. So yeah, reach out to the mods, man. We love you. We love you. Oh, we love Woody too. Don't worry. Derek Harris. Shout out to you, man. Says, learning more and more every day. Thanks for making it entertaining and easy to follow. Thanks, Frankie. Bing bong. Hey, Derek Harris. Come here. I'm talking to you, brother. Thank you for being part of this channel. Because the reason I do all this is for people like you that take the information and learn from it and leave nice comments like this. And we reward that over here at the CandleMafia with free NFTs. So go ahead and hit up the mods in Discord and yeah, get in there and get your free NFT, brother. We love you, Derek. Thank you for being here. It's gone. Oh, God, it's going to be stuck in my head all weekend. Do we have to do anything special to enter? Jesse M., if you scroll up, Rob the Crypto Snob put directions on how to enter. But you're going to probably have to enter into the Ledger giveaway, not the NFT giveaway, just because I don't think it'll add you into here. We're already pulling the winners for this one, but you could still get in to win one of these Ledger Nano S's or Ledger Nano X's. J-Dubs says, love the channel, Frankie. Been watching since day one. Keep up the great work. Shout out to J-Dubs. Dude, come hop in a live stream one of these days and say what's up, man. You've been watching since day one. I'd love to chat it up with you in chat on stream. So, yeah, hop in here and say what's up, man, especially if you've been watching since day one. Your family at that point. Just like I guess the rest of the CandleMafia is. Hey, let's party now. Let's go, Bud Lightyear. Shout out to J-Dubs. Again, man, hop in one of these. Appreciate the kind comment, man. Reach out to the mods in Discord to get your NFT. How many more do we have? Out of... Oh, right, we're doing them all. Okay, gotcha. Gas Top, are you in here? I feel like I haven't seen Gas Top in a little bit. But shout out to Gas Top. Says, thanks for the info, Frankie. Always sharing the sauce. Gas Top, absolutely. Hey, you left that comment. You got the NFT. Gas Top, shout out to you, brother. You're always in stream. We love you. You're always supporting. We're giving you a free NFT. Go ahead and hit up the Discord. Mods, or the mods in Discord. Ben Evans. I feel like Ben Evans has won before. Another great video, Frankie. You're helping me to convince my wife that investing in Lux is a great idea. Thank you for the knowledge. I appreciate it. Ben, I would agree, right? Not financial advice, but I think it could wind up being a good investment because it could help you make some money. And again, guys, we always talk about short-term trading and, scalping and day trading and leverage trading, stuff like that. Just so you know, all these indicators are extremely useful for long-term investing and swing trading or whatever kind of investing you're doing. They're very, very useful for that too. So you don't always need to be like trading the 15-minute chart to make use of these. Like they're very useful on stocks. They're useful on everything. So Ben Evans, I appreciate you for being here. Reach out to the mods in Discord. Next winner, we love you, brother. Paper Route Frank, the only other Frank that I know. Shout out to you, Paper Route Frank says the TA Wizard with the wizard wand chart going up emoji. Shout out to you, Paper Route Frank. I appreciate you've been here forever too. I feel like you might be here. I feel like you've been here since day one as well. Bullish on corn futures. Let's go. And he's not. I don't think he's talking about the Bitcoin. What's good? Liviu Capitianu. Shout out to you. I appreciate you for being here. Happy to be a part of this. Hoping to learn more. Hey, Malam, you are. I don't know if I'm saying your name right. I apologize, but you're in the right spot, brother. You're in the right spot. Paper Out Frank, we love you. But does it trigger anyone else that stock chart is red? The one that goes up is red, and the one that goes down is green or blue? Triggers me. Shout out to Paper Out Frank. I love you, brother. Thank you for being here. Get your free NFT in the Discord. How else would aliens get here without all that corn for gas? That's right. That's a good point. Kevin Baker says, my guy. Kevin, I appreciate you watching the channel, man. I hope you've been learning stuff. You want a free NFT. I love you. Get in the Discord, hit up the mods, and get that free NFT, brother. Thank you very much for the support. Lucho! Hey, wait, hold up. Lucho, you won last week, didn't you? Guys, I think Lucho might be rigging the election here, or rigging the selection, I should say. God, I hope that doesn't get triggered on the algorithm. But Lucho, shout out to you. Frankie, keep up the good work. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Thank you, thank you for the kind comment, man. And shout out for your second giveaway win, I think. There you go. God, I really hope we don't get a strike for that. I don't know. I don't know why I even said that. Cuello Blanco Music, shout out to you first today. Hey, you get an NFT for that, brother. Thank you for the nice comment. Well, thank you for the first comment. Shout out to you. You deserve an NFT for that. Hit up the mods in the Discord, and if you're not in the Discord, get in there, brother. We're waiting for you. Quicker, what is going on? I appreciate you for being here. It says, as always, great video, Frankie. Not only how to use Lux Algo indicators, but some reminders about how to spot divergences and what they mean. Absolutely, man. I do that all the time. I like to just add those reminders in because, if you hear something enough, eventually it becomes second nature, right? So you guys know on the live stream, that's kind of why I always sprinkle in like, hey guys, if you don't like, I always go over the bearish divergences, right? Like when I see them, I point them out, even if it already played out. If I just see one in the past, guys, look, bearish divergence. That way, it just, you hear it enough times to become second nature. I want it to become second nature to you guys. It might seem repetitive, but it's just that second nature thing. Here we go. Shout out to Quicker. I appreciate you. Next winner. Crypto Matt says, great video. Love the sauce, Crypto Matt. I love you, brother. Thank you for the nice comment. You get a free NFT for that. And shout out to you, man. Reach out to the mods in Discord. Appreciate you. We got 3 more. 3 more left. Thank you, Mrs. Candles. Who's it going to be? Always lit. Hey, always lit. You're always lit. Gonna throw some money for you. Let's go, because you're always lit, my man. Shout out to you, Frankie, serving up that sauce. Always lit. And you know why I like always lit? Because you guys know here on the Frankie Candles YouTube channel, we always keep the candle lit. Or the candle is always lit. Oh, Lucho. Shout out to Lucho. He says, this is my 3rd time winning. Well, you know what? The GEC, if you guys don't know, the GEC is like the SEC, but they actually investigate giveaways, right? So yeah, we're putting an investigation. We're calling the GEC on you. We're gonna investigate you. We think you might be rigging it. I'm just kidding, man. You won fair and square. Shout out to you. 3rd time winning. There you go. You guys never know. You might get 3 NFTs in a row. Shout out to Always Lit as well. This candle is always lit. Andrew R. Barsam says, this amazing. Thank you, Frankie. Hey, Andrew, no problem. You don't got to thank me. I do it because I love to, and I do it for you. Shout out to you, man. Thank you for the support. Reach out to the mods in Discord. I believe this is our last NFT winner before we move on to the ledgers. Bada boom. And then mods, if you guys could just let me know what the video for the ledger giveaways are, unless Mrs. Candles knows. Last winner. Here we go. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling Cow's World. No, ADD Dad. What is going on? I don't know if he's in here, but ADD Dad, you are in here all the time. Rigged. Nah, congrats, Lucho. Told you I was bullish on NFTs. Let's go. Shout out to ADD Dad or Ad Dad. I'm not 100% sure how to say that. Frankie, you might be a Yankee, but you're giving some good alpha in the dirty South. Let's go. Shout out to you, ADD Dad. I appreciate the support. You're in the stream a lot. You're always commenting on the videos. You deserve this NFT, man. Reach out to the mods in Discord, and that is our last NFT giveaway. Now we are moving on to these beautiful, beautiful things. Hey, I might even spray these with a little Frankie Candles cologne too, so you could, take a little me home with you. Okay, Mrs. Candle said no. All right, sorry, that was creepy. Didn't mean to be creepy, guys. I'm just, whatever. I'm a weird guy. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. She really didn't like that. Okay. The ledger giveaway, KuCoin bot. Thank you, Rob. I love you, man. All right, let's see. KuCoin bot. Boom. Get shareable link. Bada bing. Here we go. Come up here. Bang, bam. Boom, boom. Yeah, guys, I do this like in my head when I do things. I'm like, okay, here. Boom. Bada bing. Boom, boom. Bada bing. Oh, God. 9 plus 3. Mrs. Candles, can you help me out? Is it 22? Oh, God. Mrs. Candles will reveal that face one day, guys. I think she's our official giveaway helper. We've hired Mrs. Candles. Oh, God, we're already going. Oh, Ham Wizard, let's go. I was going to hide it. I wanted to, reveal. But Ham Wizard, or as we like to call him, Pig Magician, let's go. I appreciate all the support, brother. He says, I need those bots to work because I suck at trading. Ham Wizard, that's okay. It takes practice. That's why you want to start with small money or maybe even continue to paper trade, man. If you feel like you're not honing, your skill as a trader, what you could do, man, is just stick to paper for a while, man. And you could always invest in crypto and make money in other ways, and just practice on your paper account or with a small amount of money. Or if you think trading is not for you, you don't have to trade. You could still do TA and long-term invest or do TA for the fun of it. You don't have to be in a trade every single day. It's really, I think, people want to be trading every day, but you really don't have to. Tom Crown said it best when he was on the stream. He said 9 times out of 10, the best trade to be in is no trade. And a lot of times, everybody with the Pig Wizard, let's go. Shout out to Ham Wizard. We appreciate you, brother. And I think, dude, I love the name. Ham Wizard, Pig Magician, whatever we want to call you. We love you, brother. And I love that you have your little emojis. I'll never be able to see the pig or that magic wand emoji without thinking of you, man. Mrs. Candles is always right. We both know this. Shout out to Medicine Man. Yes, you are absolutely correct. All right, let's see. Winner number 2. Here we go. Ofox, let's go. I think Ofox has won a bunch of other times. Shout out to you. Feels like those bots are not a good bet right now. Yeah, if you guys have not, you guys can watch this video, after the stream. But yeah, the trading bots, they were all in the green, right? And then they absolutely got wrecked to the downside because we had a big dump in the market, right? So they're definitely underwater right now. But that's why it's an experiment, right? If the market dumps, the bots are gonna go red. But if it comes back up, they're gonna go green. So it was kind of a bad time to check on them, but I'm not only going to check on them when they're red, when they're green, right? We're going to show you when they're red too. So if they go back in the green, we'll do another update. But shout out to Ofox. That was 2. Oh, there is, they said 2, but Tony's doing 1. So there's 3. Shout out to Ofox. You got a Ledger Nano X or a Ledger Nano Plus. And I will say this, they're going to be randomly selected. They're going to be, it's not like the first person got one or the second person. We are just going to pack these up. We're going to mix up the boxes and we're going to slap the labels on. So, you might get the X, you might get the Plus, you might get the S Plus. So yeah, you never know. But yeah, shout out to Ofox. Congratulations, man. You won a Ledger. And this one, I think Tony said he's giving away a Ledger Nano S. So it's another Ledger Nano S. Here we go. Last winner. I'm just kidding, guys. Here we go. Roy Strikeling. Shout out. Great info. Thanks, Frankie. Roy, I actually appreciate that nice comment so much. I'm going to go ahead and give you one of these ledgers. Shout out to you, man. Reach out to the mods in Discord. Might be this one. Might be that one. Might be another one that I don't have right here. But shout out to you, man. Thank you for being a part of the Candle Mafia. And also, even more importantly, guys, thank you for 25,000 subscribers. Sounds like a fake thing. I was telling you guys this the other day. I was texting Ben the other day. We were just kind of chatting back and forth about the market. And I said to him, I was like, hey man, like I feel like I don't say this enough. Like I just said like sometimes I feel like I have to pinch myself, just to like I wake up in the morning and I just feel like it's crazy that we've built this community and like you guys all know who I am, and it's just is a crazy thing. I never thought I'd be on YouTube. I've always loved crypto, I've always loved trading and TA, but like I never knew that I was gonna be able to build a community of people I've never met before and feel so close to them, because you guys truly do feel like good friends and family to me. So it's super crazy to be here. In this position with all of you guys. It's the coolest thing in the world. I'm blessed to have the nicest community ever. And that's why I work so hard for you guys. And the fact that we've hit 25,000 subscribers, like I remember when we hit 5,000 subscribers, it was crazy. And like, I'm not like, this isn't like we hit 1,000,000 subscribers. So it's not that crazy, but to me, this is crazy. You never know, guys. You never know. So yeah, I just, from the bottom of my heart, I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. And I know you guys, I say this all the time. You're probably like, he's just, he doesn't care. I do care. I really do care. And there's no way I can really prove that to you guys other than just keep hustling this content, providing as much value as I can. And then one day you guys are going to meet me at a meetup and you're going to know, you're going to be like, man, like he really does care. Because I do. Yeah, I appreciate every single one of you. I wish there was a way that I could like actually talk to each individual person or answer every single DM that I get. And it just gets harder and harder by the day. But just know that I love each and every single one of you guys more than you could possibly imagine. You guys changed my life. And I don't mean like change the life, like you changed my life because I've never been happier and I've never had to work so hard in my life. I've worked really hard before. I've never had to work this hard, but I've also never been so happy or fulfilled in a life endeavor. And I feel absolutely blessed. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are the CandleMafia. You guys are this YouTube channel. I am just the guy on the camera. You guys make this channel what it is, and I am eternally grateful for that. And with all that being said, guys, I appreciate and love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for 25,000 subscribers on YouTube. And we will be doing a really cool giveaway. Keep a lookout in the Discord for a poll to we're gonna pick some cool stuff and we'll let you guys vote on it, see what you guys want to give away, and we'll give away that next week. But again, Sheeb, we had a super chat real quick. I'm not gonna pull up the chart, but I will look at it and just let you know what I think. Sheeb, you're coming down to your value area. You're coming down to a value area low. I mean, it's pretty oversold on the 4-hour. You could potentially see a short-term bounce, but everything basically looks bearish. But you are coming down to some support, and you are getting a little oversold on the 4-hour. So maybe a potential 4-hour, maybe a potential bounce. But with that being said, guys, again, I love each and every single one of you guys. I didn't want to leave that super chat hanging because you guys are out here supporting. I want to deliver. So love each and every single one of you guys from the bottom of my heart, from Frankie Candles to you guys. I love you. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong. I love you guys. I'll see you Monday. Same place, same time. Bing bong.
Tyler Ramos.